Tony, Slick, Gino, and Tin. Boys Night Out. Magic 89.9.
Today's best music, Magic 89.9. Yeah, man. They're listening and watching. Shara. Time now is 6:21 on the clock. The boys are out tonight on a Taco Tuesday. My name is Slick Rick.
This is Tony. Hey.
Ano ba ako? My name is Tin. Hi, everybody.
Hungover.
Hey, Tim.
No, I'm fine.
And we also have, you can bring the mic closer.
Naughty Riri.
Hey.
Hey, girl. Hey.
Hey, Susie, I heard about your night last night.
Taco Tuesday.
What up, girl?
She didn't make it to Taco Tuesday. She made it to Monday, but she didn't make it to Tuesday.
She had a little bit too much.
Hindi ko kinaya. Where's Gino?
Did her day stop?
I was with him all afternoon. I don't know. I think he went home. I think he had too much coffee.
What?
Oh, congratulations, by the way, to our friends from Flaky.
Yes. Congrats, guys.
Congrats.
On their
Let's go.
third branch.
Wow.
Yeah, three branches in less than 6 months. So that they
Over at SM Mega Mall. To
so,
Jen. Congrats, Jen and Gab.
and they have one in North EDSA and one in Makati. So yeah, I mean, if you guys are into French pastries, mainly croissants. So
So.
the head guy there, he's from Paris. He doesn't speak English, so he actually said his welcome speech in French that none of us understood.
Well, at least it made you feel like you're in the Olympics. Right? You're like, yeah.
Oh,
Yeah,
no, Olympic FOMO.
Your
The
authenticity.
address.
Yeah, and so they had the translator who happens to be his wife, and but congratulations to them. That's baked daily, fresh pastries daily. And want to thank all those people that came out. And congratulations to Vince Velasco, who's now a business owner. He's an entrepreneur.
Hey,
Nice one,
congrats.
So look out for them in the coming years to open up more branches. All right. So yeah, you can take croissants and coffee. Then check it out, Flaky Co. I'm surprised Gino was there because it was obviously a social gathering, and then he shows up. And I was
He's
like,
a social kind of guy.
and he looked like he just woke up. I was like, this guy must have been gaming. I was like, no, this guy should really just stay home. Really
He's
stay home.
near na. He's near to the station.
Oh, is it?
You're fake news. Yes.
Oh, he's coming to work?
Yeah, that's what he said.
Yes.
He said he's
I thought he
near
was
now.
going to spend time, just.
Invento.
Okay, all right.
I don't know, but he's not going to be here tomorrow.
No, I understand that, he came out because he was paid to come out earlier. He's a digital content creator. So I saw him. He was like videoing,
Oh, may
shooting.
pala.
He was shooting.
It's TF.
Oh, I'm sure. Nakita ko may
May sobre.
ampaw. I was like, oh shit, I didn't get one. So I was like, yo, Gabs.
Tony's.
Wala. Ano lang?
No, because they
Croissant. They gave me a croissant.
No, because they know that whatever money that they're gonna give you, that's like nothing compared to your divs.
Hindi naman.
See,
Panggas.
they're like, you know what? We don't want to insult you,
No.
right? It's kind of like getting a gift for someone that has everything, and you're just not sure what to give them.
What do you get them?
Yeah, what do you get them? So,
Man, my voice is rough.
Oh wow.
Yeah, it is.
Hear it.
Yeah.
It's bad.
Maybe you should know. Go to the banyo muna.
time out ka muna,
The
Tin.
banyo.
Time out ka muna.
But congratulations to Hannah, by
Okay,
the
go.
way.
Congratulations to Hannah.
Yeah.
Happy birthday.
Turning 29.
Milo went down on one knee and went back up on the other knee.
It was just stretching.
It was quick. It was a quick one knee, and then he brought the cake. I thought he had a ring, but it was a cake lang pala.
It was a quick
So
stretch.
everyone asking me, did he propose? No, it was just a cake.
Oh,
He pulled a muscle.
it's coming someday. It will.
Yeah. The only ring she got was the cock ring. So,
Stop.
Oh, wow.
so
Happy birthday, Hannah.
happy
we
birthday.
love you.
It was
Hey, that's I guess
70s.
I guess that's one of those good rings that you can get on your birthday. So congratulations.
It was
It was disco themed.
Yeah.
And Tina Ryan brought it.
You did too. You had an outfit that was at a sequence and
Yeah, it
whatnot.
was shiny. But Tina took the cake.
Tina, I didn't know whether she was, like I said, from the indigenous tribe of Boracay or Tina Turner, right? It was one of those.
I
So
wasn't pleased with your comments.
she could have been both.
Yeah, no, I'm serious. I wasn't sure. So, but it was great that she was the only one dressed up full on. She had a wig, she had a dress, even the shades.
The
No, it's
glasses,
because
yeah,
that's
the
her
giant
thing, right?
frames.
Yeah, well, that's her era.
Yeah.
Yeah. Technically,
That is.
Tanghali, right?
technically
That's
that is her era. Yeah. So she doesn't have to change into costume. That's what she wears to work
On the daily.
Yeah. I'm not dissing her.
Especially on a Friday and Saturday.
This disco ball is off because of her.
Yeah, that's
Yeah,
hers.
that's
That's
hers.
Tina's.
This is literally
I haven't
hers.
seen her in so long.
She has disco balls in her house on a regular. It's not like,
Really?
yeah. You should check out her
I
place.
don't know about that.
Check out her pad.
True.
Yeah. Check it. No, she just lives across from me, so I know.
Tony sees it. he sees it
disco
from the
balls.
window.
From outside of
Creeper
from the street, you can see the disco ball. It's her.
peering into Tina's home. That's so weird.
No, but there are some houses like that. For example, like along Slex.
Okay.
There's a few condos there, and then there's like during the elections, there was one condo that had like pink lights. And you just saw pink lights.
Okay.
And then up until now, they just still have those pink lights on.
Interesting.
And it's just like, oh, look at that. And it's just like, oh.
Was it a pogo house? Pogo condo?
You never know.
Yeah.
Is because you saw a lot of different underwear outside.
Oh, maybe.
Oh, may mga nakasabit na pante.
Exactly.
Ponte.
You're just like, wow. I didn't know they allowed that one.
I love your voice, Tim.
Okay.
I
I
love
know.
Why did you not
Tomorrow
come to
they'll
work?
be back.
Why did you not come to? That's so irresponsible as a broadcaster.
Look at this
huh?
guy.
Gino, susuntokin kita.
I don't know about you. I'm grieving. I have so many excuses not to go to work, but I'm not built that way. Eh. I'm built different.
Ang
bro.
galing. ang
Congrats,
galing.
Gino.
Go,
Congrats.
go.
Why are you
Congrats.
built
No
differently?
matter the
Gina?
minuscule
Congrats.
pay that we get, you
Yeah.
still go to work.
You're the
Diba?
highest paid one here, bro.
Minuscule nonetheless.
300K.
diba? Ayos,
No, it's
totoo
Gino's
lang.
really the highest paid.
Yeah.
Wow.
Not just in Boys Night Out, but in Magic.
Wow.
Wow.
Ah.
Actually, in the whole radio
That is
industry
an
na lang.
absolute-
You know,
Alam mo, guys, ayoko pumasok dito tapos puro kasinungalingan lang yung lumalabas sa mga bibig natin. Hindi maganda. That's not how we work.
Gino, it's well documented. There's
As-
300,000 peso salary
As
at Magic.
professional
Well documented.
broadcasters, we have to uphold ourselves to a higher standard of no lies, no fake news.
Yeah.
Guys, come on.
we?
Come on. We gotta be better than
Tony
that.
said you had too much coffee and went home.
I had 1 cup of coffee.
and he's like, where did he go?
Also, I heard that remark. I did not just wake up. I was awake at 7. This is just how I look like. I have 2 children.
I thought he was gaming till like
Soon to
7
be
a.m.
No,
That's
bro.
what he does.
What is Gino gonna look like with 3 kids?
Oh man, I have no idea.
Actually,
Probably not enough time to shave, that sort of
this,
thing.
this is why I love going out to these events during the day because you get to meet different people. And I met this wonderful lady named Denise, right?
Yeah.
And she just told us about her dating experience.
Oh, I thought you guys were friends.
Huh? No, we met that. We just met
Oh,
that.
wow. You know what? Tony is really something else. Huh? 'Cause- No,
That's a
no.
gift. That's a
Okay.
gift.
Let me paint you guys a picture. So I get there, and I know, obviously Vince Velasco, who's one of the owners, and outside of that, I know another guy, si Jokas, who's a
Jokas,
good, guy that I used to hang out with whenever we would go out and whatever. And then I see Tony there, being the belle of the ball,
belle of the
social
ball.
butterfly that he is. He's in a table with 4 other people, and his conversation's just been going on. I was filming na, alam mo, parang gumagawa na ng content.
He was
para
working
may,
it.
Para may magawa na ako, diba? Kasi akong tanga ko, nakatayo lang ako doon,
Oh,
diba? Tapos
exactly.
parang, okay guys.
What's happening?
But, and then he drags me into the conversation. He's like, and then, he's talking about this girl's dating life. And I'm like, okay, they must have been friends for a really long. Kanina mo lang pala siya na-meet?
Like earlier this afternoon.
Wild! What a guy!
She opened up.
What's her
Yo.
name? Denise what?
I guess we shouldn't mention the last
Maybe we shouldn't.
Ah, okay, okay, okay.
Probably shouldn't.
Okay,
I don't want to
Sige,
put.
sige.
I don't
Kalma lang,
I
girl.
don't want to put her on.
She's like a content creator also, diba? Na people who
No,
are
no,
listening
no,
might
no,
know
no.
her and then
No,
be like,
I-
oh yeah, we know her
But
quite
the
well.
thing is, I don't want to put her on blast because the guys that that might be listening as well to the show, who actually do listen.
Yeah. He knows that for a fact.
Yeah.
Yeah.
She dated
Oh, you know her exes.
No, I don't. I don't.
Okay.
Are you familiar at least?
But I'm sure it's gonna get to them because they're around the guys that she's been dating.
Oh.
you have same circle.
Basically, ito na lang.
Car club.
To put it gently.
Supercars.
Homies ni Tones.
Oh,
Homies ni Tones.
okay.
Oh.
Can afford.
Oh,
Can
Oh,
afford.
more.
The 1%ers ba?
Oh.
The 1%ers.
More.
These are the ones that are laughing at us.
Pag sinabi mo yung,
Yung naka-watch list ng BIR. Ganun.
yan.
Yan.
Pag sinabi mo yung apelido, they have a street name in Makati.
Oh, yeah.
Damn.
Yeah. Or in Forbes. So, yeah, let's not go there.
Baka palitan ng gigil yung
But
street name.
apparently,
Oh, malapit na sana.
apparently,
I-face nyo sa akin.
Gigil,
Pero malinong
she aged the guy, or at least the group, where it's yung pala, if you send this kind of message, the GIF,
Yeah. So GIFs are apparently not cool anymore.
they're not cool.
What? I still.
Right. Okay. So
They're not cool,
And
too.
then we clarified it because I was really up in arms about it because
Yeah.
like I like GIFs.
Yeah.
They're
But
so fun.
certain GIFs, you know what I mean? Like if it's a meme, like for example, that Homer going into a bush.
Yeah.
GIF.
Yeah.
You know, that's pretty funny. But apparently, when you start sending GIFs of like Merry Christmas or Happy Holidays, then
Yeah.
it ages
I
you.
use
So-
GIFs to like
Yeah.
send
well,
sneaky messages.
Those are kind of, sometimes you just don't want it. It's just like, okay,
No, but
Yeah.
it ages you
yeah.
to her.
Or recently,
because she's younger.
What I
Yeah, yeah,
experienced that
she's young.
I found kind of weird.
How young?
She's probably like younger than
20s?
20s?
Yeah.
probably
yeah.
Tony's
Mid-20s.
age 29 mo.
29.
Oh, like
Mga
my
Hana.
Our age.
Hana, Tony batch.
age.
our age.
But what I
You guys were
realized,
same batch in high school, yeah?
Yeah. Well,
Lately-
sure, like school pictures.
Teka, yung realization ni Gino, kanina ko pa inaantay.
no. Kasi, okay, so obviously a lot of people send over condolences and whatever.
Yeah.
And usually it's like, condolence, bro, our sympathies go out to you or whatever. It's weird when it's a GIF.
Okay. Oh,
It's one of those like, our condolences and there's like a candle that's burning.
Yeah.
I mean, I
Shit,
get
I've sent that.
I get the intention, which ages you, Tones.
I know.
And it's usually my titos and
shocked.
titas from abroad that send that over. So, wala lang, yun lang.
No, I never sent it to someone. I posted it on my IG stories.
Oh, even worse.
That's
IG
even-
stories.
Ah,
No, IG stories that the candle and then the person.
Yeah,
the
okay.
famous person.
Yeah.
okay.
The famous person's there, and then I put
Yeah.
the candle,
candle.
or the
Okay.
the
the
Tapos
prayer
saktong
hands.
Charlie
You didn't
Puth yung
send
music,
it-
no? See you again. mga
See you
ganun.
again.
And then
You
like
didn't
the
send
Or
the
just
actual
grow
gift
band
to the
to where
Green
you are.
Too much,
family.
too much. That's a bit too much, bro. That's a bit too
Or
much.
One Sweet Day, Boys to Men.
It gives off the vibes. Okay, this guy's trying to be cool.
Yeah, exactly.
This
But he's not.
This Lolo Tito is trying to be cool. He's trying to fit in. He's got too much shit going on. He got the candle. He got the praying.
sparkles.
Exactly.
Got
Is
the
that
music.
because they get really excited about it, right?
I know.
They get so excited, and I see it from like my titos and titos
The
in
My
the
Day.
US.
The
No,
My Day.
oh, exactly. It's like, what are you guys doing?
Stop it.
But I don't know. Sometimes like, okay, like there are certain celebrities that when they pass away, you really feel... Because there are
Connected?
celebrities who pass away na parang, okay, like, that's sad. That's unfortunate.
Yeah.
But there are celebrities that are like, for example, when Paul Walker passed away.
Yeah.
Like, I feel like that hit home
Yeah.
Yeah.
a little closer to home than, it would everyone else.
Yeah.
So, you kind of, alam mo yung parang medyo to a certain, hindi ko naman siya kilala personally, pero
Yeah.
parang makiki-ano ka na parang, uy,
But then
I
he
really
has-
feel this.
Yeah.
But doesn't he have a close connection with the Philippines because he invested?
Filipinos will always find a close connection with the Philippines. Let's face it.
You're like,
oh, yung nanay niyan, yung asawa ni Dennis Rodman.
Even he opened a foundation,
In the Philippines?
or he donated a huge amount.
For walkers?
That's why Paul Walker was so popular because he.
You're kidding.
No.
No.
I'm not joking.
Paul Walker.
Him and
Sounds invented.
that's
why
why he
don't
was
we
so
Google
popular
it?
because he actually helped during the typhoon. There was a
You serious?
he supported an NGO. That's why.
Is this like the which Haiyan?
find
The
it.
Typhoon Haiyan?
I don't know, but I
Fact
remember. Yeah. Can you check? Paul Walker donates to
Help
Philippines
Philippines.
or donates.
Hosted charity event for Philippine typhoon victims
Oh, so
before fatal accident.
There you go.
Just say hi to Kea.
Oh,
Who's
super
just saying,
fresh.
Yeah.
condolences plus gif of candle plus regards to everyone from us in San Diego, USA. Yan yung mga template ng titos and titas from
Yeah.
That's so true though. Diba?
Yeah.
It really is the template. I love that.
Parang
Shit, I'm aged.
the thing is regards, diba? Parang
Regards.
regards.
Because I don't think anybody our age just actually says regards.
No,
anymore.
no,
Yeah.
no, no.
Unless you're talking to somebody older.
No.
Now you know that that's their language. You know what I mean? Send my regards to your family.
You know why I don't do that? Because my dad is with regards.
Oh.
My dad, email, with regards.
Kay Tones kasi disregards lang. Everything is disregarded. You know?
Wait, what Tony said is true.
So he
Vin
really
Diesel's
did.
last conversation with Paul Walker was about the Philippines and Yolanda. It was the Yolanda.
He was supposed to.
Time.
I remember because he was supposed to fly here and hold a special press con. And I remember if we weren't the station to sponsor that or at least
Be part of it.
be part of it. I remember I'll check my emails to make sure.
Wait, are you part of this? Part ka ng email blast ni Paul Walker?
No. The group that was
Family.
mounting it.
Ayos ah.
The group that was
You got
mounting
Family,
it
bro.
was the
Did you
actual
drink a Corona while you're reading this email?
if I'm not mistaken. One of my partners.
Oh, okay.
So they were the bidding for it.
Ba talaga yung buhay ni Tones na yung mga partners?
Iba.
Ako yung mga partners ko. Kayo yung partners ko. On air,
Oh,
partner
ikaw.
lang.
No, but it was still we feel so bad because still it's Tony.
Diba? I know, that's true.
And it's
No,
just like,
at the end of the day, you know why? You guys have loving partners. Ako, solo lang eh.
That's your choice. You could have a loving partner.
that's your choice.
I won't argue the solo part Parang
So, single.
single, yes.
Technically, you're single,
Solo,
yes.
no. I don't think you ever go home alone.
I do. I
Once a week? Ganun.
no. He'll go alone when he's done.
Yeah, that's true.
When he's done.
When he's done, he's like, I'm good.
Thank you, ma'am.
I have a voiceover tomorrow.
Tin, last night.
Oh.
Why were you
You went home
upstairs?
so early. Hindi ko alam. Mas marami, I'm sure you went somewhere else.
Why were you upstairs only? How come you
And you
didn't
were
go
kind of
downstairs?
moving in on
Wait lang.
Cats.
Oo nga, I want to find out more about this. No? Because Katz is a good friend. Hi, Kat Salaw.
love
Like
Cats.
cat.
I saw the stories where you were feeding her cake.
No.
I saw that.
Damn.
I was interviewing her to ask her what's her type because the guys that she's been dating, it's just been they don't get along or the humor.
Okay.
And so I'm like, okay, let me find a friend
Uh-huh.
because she's going to the States.
Okay.
So I
She's
have
not
some
moving
friends.
to the States.
Well, she's gonna be there for a while.
Yeah, she would be
Yeah.
3 months.
Damn.
She'll be back in December.
Okay.
Or November.
That's
She'll be back in
good.
November.
Oh.
That's pretty long.
That's a good.
That's a
That's not
one.
a
Yeah.
holiday.
August to November.
Yeah, that's
That's
pretty
bagay.
long.
Ganyan kasi yung mga leave ni Tin, 3 months.
3 months.
Wala kang magagawa.
My longest was fine, a month. Ano, more.
What are you talking
A
about?
little bit more.
You left November, you came back
Almost
Jan.
Oh.
Yeah.
Right.
I left mid-November.
Mid-November.
Ano yung
that was
Came back early Jan.
yung mga VL ni Tin, hindi pwede yung mga 3 days, 4 nights.
yeah, hindi
4 days, 3 nights. Hindi pwede yung mga ganyan. Long package yan.
It's needed.
Wait, so what happened? You and Katz? Oh.
No,
Why were you
I
feeding her
thank
cake?
God nothing.
Is that what you do to everybody you interview? Because you've interviewed a bunch of people here. You've never fed them cake.
No, I didn't feed her cake. It was just for the photo.
Dude, I literally saw the video of you feeding her cake.
No, it was
Are
just,
you calling me a liar?
Gaslighting 101.
Yeah.
I didn't put it in her mouth
Ah, wow. That's the first.
because it
That's
was
where you put it.
because it was someone else's cake.
It was just a prop.
It was just
That
a
was
prop.
Katz's cake. Kay Katz yung cake.
Kay Katz, but no, she's like, that's not mine.
it was hers. She was eating it.
How do you know? Lasing ka na eh.
What happened? I left and you were like
She broke a
a
glass.
bottle of wine in.
She
I want to see Susie like that.
She hit the bottle of wine and it smashed on the table.
Oh, so
Exad yung smash. Exad yung
I need to
smash.
see Susie
It
turn.
just fell quietly, like a
medyo
clink.
dagdag
Like
kwento
a
ko lang, no?
lady-like clink.
Kasi when Slick and I stepped out, nag-usap parang, oh, you guys are going na. So Slick and I were like, yeah, we're heading out. And then si Katz brought it up na parang, oh, no, JT's ba tayo? So I go like, well, kayo, kung gusto nyo kumain. Tapos si Tin, tapos si Pao, they're like, tara, JT's. Sneak out lang tayo, tapos balik tayo. So I go out, I'm with Slick, and then Slick is like, all right, I'm gonna head home. And I'm like, okay, sige, I'll get us a table na in JT's. I get a table for 6, and I'm all alone. And then I get a message na, ay, hindi na pala kami kakain. So mag-isa ako, tas 6 yung table, 6 na yung sinetap na plato. And I kid you not, the waitress, so I told the waitress na parang, miss, okay lang, ako na lang pala yung kakain.
Kawawa.
And I kid you not, yung sinabi ng waitress, sir, dinitch ka na. Damn! Dinitch!
Clock.
Ginudge ako ng waiter na parang dinitch ka na ng friends mo, sir. Sabi ko, hindi, naipit lang sila doon. Parang, I had to justify. Nag-take out na lang ako para sa asawa ko para hindi ako mukhang loser. Alam mo yung parang,
Sige, mag-take out na lang po ako kasi meron akong wife, tapos meron akong kids, tapos yung wife ko pregnant.
You're like, no. But my friends do like me. My friends do like me.
I'm not gonna lie, I like eating alone. I don't mind eating alone, but I won't reserve a table for 6.
Yeah.
Kasi ito kasi sinetap na nila yung
The
plato
funny
for
thing
6.
is when we left around past midnight, mga 1 a.m. Tin, remember the security guard was like, kawawa yung guy na yung kanina. Nag-iisa lang siya. Wala siyang friends. Ikaw yun.
Ang loser na tating ko.
Si Pao was already at the foot of the stairs. What Don said, Pao was starving. It's true.
Gutom na.
No, I think everyone was hungry at their table. We're like, we had the chicharo.
Oh, yeah, the chicharon.
We had the
I swear, man, that was the first time that Gina John waiter. Dinitch ka na, sir. But she said it with a smile on her face. Ha? Alam mo, parang, she's very nice. So kudos to the staff of JT's for being empathetic.
Maybe it reminds. She's like, you know what? I've seen this before.
Oo nga eh. You know, I won't make him feel bad na lang about it. So dahan-dahan niya niligpit yung plato, hiniwalay niya yung table na extra.
Di ba, it feels bad like all of a sudden if they take it all out right away and they're just like, oh man.
Man, I haven't been to JT's Manukan, but that's one of the go-to places.
Yeah,
so
it's always.
good.
Did you know that
I had it again for lunch today because the takeout. I ended up
speaking of
eating it.
JT's, they got rid of Manukan country. Is it Manukan County in Bacolod? It's gone. You know
yeah.
Where all the Bacolod inasal
Bacolod,
is?
yeah, the landowner has sold it.
Oh, damn.
So wala nang Manukan country, whatever where all those stalls are for the
Inasal.
It's gone.
Oh nga, no, okay sana yung, parang okay na concept yun, no? So, JT's Manukan, magpa-partner sila, gagawa sila ng parang honey chicken. So, Manuka, JT's Manuka. Diba? Oh, medyo alta pa siya, diba? JT's
I'm
Manuka.
gonna take that.
Good for you.
Honey chicken, yeah!
He's gonna be here all week. Just till today.
I'm here all week until today.
Until today lang.
I'm gonna send a GIF.
I know.
Speaking of jokes, we have Red Olero on his way, GB Labrador, and
Nice.
yes, and Victor Anastasio.
Ayun, sakto. Kaya nilalabas ko na lahat ng jokes kasi mamaya hindi na ako funny.
Oh, exactly.
Parang, you know.
Parang you just become like a normal guy.
Right. It's like going to karaoke and you know for a fact that like some established singers coming up, like you sing before the established singer. Oh, that's what you do.
You're the opening act.
Yeah.
Diba? They usually mga headliners.
It's either that or
Yung
like
pampa-warm up lang.
in open mic, diba? Like in Yes Please. Now all of a sudden it's just like, oh, you got to get up there before these guys start
Before
singing.
the pros start singing.
Yeah.
Diba?
And then you know who they are.
Oh, parang kunwari, maglalabas ka ng wallet sa club, bago dumating si Tones, ilabas mo na. Kasi pag naglabas na ng wallet si Tones, first off, hindi niya kailangan ilabas eh. Kasi sa kanya yung club eh.
And then, the thing is, why even take out your wallet is because you know he's gonna play, so you're just
That's
like,
true.
let's just wait for him.
Or mag-ano ka lang, fake gesture. Alam mo yung parang, hindi bro, ako.
Let's wait for
ikaw
him
na,
to
ako,
get
thank
here.
you,
Para
ako.
he has signing. He has signing. Ay. Libre to, libre. Enjoy lang.
It's nice to be wealthy siguro, no?
Sarap. Must
Tell
be
me about
nice.
it naman, Tones.
No, I still have to work, bro.
Live
That is into
vicariously
your
through
world.
you.
Yo, I'm still working, bro.
You're working for divs.
Why do you think I'm here every day?
Because you love
you
it.
love it.
Yeah.
You love radio.
Everybody knows that you're here not for the salary. You're here because, you love the medium. That's it.
Radio is your thing, man.
And we'd like to think us, maybe you kind of love us. Maybe.
No, I don't think so. You're his office mate nga lang eh.
Yeah. We can't have sex.
Wow!
Can you and Gino?
No, you know, slick.
That would be weird.
We got some bills to pay. We have commercials.
Old school na old school na.
Got some bills to pay. We'll be right back after these commercials.
You on the other side.
They still say it though because
See you on the other side of
Because
this
it's
commercial break.
6:44 on the dot. The metro is a buzzing.
congrats by the way to everyone that was at Tomorrowland. It ended yesterday.
Wait, ito, usapang seryoso ba to? Magto-Tomorrowland talaga next
Let's
year?
do it. Yeah,
but-
Thailand.
Oh no, because me and Tony we were talking about Europe.
Sorry.
shit.
Yung budget ko pang
Layo.
Thailand lang.
Oo, ako din.
Okay, Thailand.
Sorry bro,
Thailand
hindi
lang din yung
umaabot yung Sempak sa Europe eh.
Sorry.
Hanggang seat sale lang tayo.
Okay.
Slick said game, but it took him a while to say,
I was like, okay.
Took him a while. So you were referring to Europe tomorrow?
No. Yesterday,
He said Thailand.
I purposely said Tomorrowland has.
Thank you for being considerate of your less fortunate co-hosts.
Especially me and Gino.
No, you guys have families. I'm not inconsiderate like that.
Thank you.
Because if you guys were single, I would invite you 3 years ago.
It really be like that.
What?
Just kidding.
That would technically Tin is still single.
2 years ago. 2 years ago.
That would have been fun though.
2 years ago. So, but you guys never said any. Well, when I asked you guys never replied. So,
Yo, Tone, simple na naman. Kung sabihin mong libre, pupunta kami. Walang problema. Sa tingin mo, di ko kaya iwanan yung mga anak ko. Iwanan ko yan pag libre.
All 3 of them.
Bye!
Like, I got work.
Daddy will see you in 2 weeks.
This is for boys' night out. See ya.
make it 3 because you need 1 week to recover.
Fine. As long as it's free.
Okay.
3 weeks it is.
Pasta libre. Sige.
All right, we're gonna take a break and come right back. Stick around for more of Boys Night Out.
Boys Night Out on Magic 89.9.
You.
See, the thing
I don't
is,
know, man. I don't know how to feel about that. Like, do you really not chase girls though? Because
I think when you're
you
young,
kind of do.
You do.
Called out.
I mean,
No, not chasing. I think it's more on
pursuing.
pursuing is different
But
from
pursuing
chasing.
is chasing here.
No,
Isn't that a synonym of chase?
No.
pursue.
'Cause pursuing is totally different. Pursuing is you go up, you introduce yourself. But chasing is when she says no and
You're still thirsty.
you're still thirsty. But
And you're makulit.
there's a lot.
You're makulit sa mga pinsan.
Actually,
Yeah.
you're not makulit. You're annoying.
My pinsan.
There's a lot of guys that are
My
annoying.
wife said no to me the first 2 times I asked her to be my
No
girlfriend.
way.
Yeah.
Yeah, well,
Yeah.
Even-
How that
we
turned out.
honestly thought he had no chance.
actually,
Yeah, thank you, Tin.
Esa
Said
true,
no
we
to Sam
did.
8 times.
8 times.
8 times.
I remember.
He's Dwayne Wade nga, di ba? Fall down 7, get up 8.
8 times, yeah. So for me, it's either you can read the signs or you're just.
Or just blind to it.
Because as long as you're not being disrespectful, I
Yun na
think
nga,
it's
yun na
okay.
nga.
You
Yeah,
know what I
because
mean?
once you cross that line, then
then
you become like a creep.
Because there's also the whole there
Just
are
like,
women out there, and I guess men also, that like, want to see how far you're willing to go for them. And then after a while, that's like, that's when they'll find out na parang, ay, okay, so even with all the hardship that I've, all the hoops that he's been through, he's still here.
Yeah.
So it's more of like,
It's sometimes it's just like a test.
Oh.
Right? Test like, okay, let's just see.
Oh.
And then all of a sudden, like the girl will eventually maybe like, okay, let's give this guy a chance because he's just so
Yeah.
persistent.
But let's put this in context also. I guess not in the sense of sex. Because I mean, if you keep asking for sex and they say no, then that's a different story altogether.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. That's totally.
That's like
So
no.
just like a date. I think we're talking like a date.
Yeah,
or
like,
hangout, ganon.
worth the chase.
Yeah. But then if not, it's just like, okay, just don't be that creeper guy. If you can read it, then just walk
Speaking
away.
of creeping,
Be a creeper.
Tin.
May creepers tayong
yo,
dumating. Ano yung sinasabi mo?
Speaking of creeping,
May creepy guests
May
ba
creepers
tayo?
dito.
Nani Riri told us this thing off air while we were
Oh,
playing
yeah.
music.
Okay,
So for those that have Instagram and have
Wait, I don't know if we should be sharing this openly.
No, you should.
This could be dangerous.
we should.
Maybe I'll
Baka may
find out.
mapahamak tayong
Cheater.
brothers.
No,
We should, but this will help protect them.
That's true.
So
we're not gonna gatekeep this one.
Yeah.
it's better to inform the guys.
That's
And
what
What is
They should-
happening? I'm scared.
They shouldn't be
Oh.
doing it to begin with.
No, but I mean, if you don't, it's at least to warn them. So for all
warn them.
for all you guys out there that keep liking photos or maybe messaging,
First to like, first to like.
Bilis talaga niyan
First to
mag-like
like.
as in I swear.
Yo.
Every time I look at my reels.
Know it.
You know how I scroll, diba?
there was a certain girl. There was a certain girl that was screenshot
Huh?
and put on Marites Express,
Huh?
and it was Slick Nick's name.
Ayun!
And every person on that thread was like,
Matinik talaga.
every person on the thread is like, "Uy,
Ah.
they were saying syllables."
They're like,
Man of culture. Man of culture.
see, the thing is, if you just keep liking, they're like, okay,
it gets lost.
Yeah, it
no?
gets lost. It gets
No, but
lost.
when they screenshot it and your name's
It's your
always
name
there,
that comes out.
That's fine.
and there's over 1 million people on that group.
That's
He's
all
like,
right.
I don't care.
I don't
And all
care.
these guys,
Doesn't care.
all these guys like, oh, and I'm like,
He has
oh
nothing to
shit,
hide.
oh damn.
Hey,
I like it.
dude, I distinctly remember when the Jenny from Blackpink commercial of Calvin Klein came out, and she was super super hot.
Okay.
And I was so excited na parang I saw it and I'm like, oh, I'm gonna share this with Slick. Boom! Like by Slick Rick. Ayop.
Nagsunahan kayong tatlo
si
eh.
Jisoo
Diba?
naglabas na. Dior yata
I
yung kay
love
Jisoo,
it.
di ba?
Dior.
Boom! Liked by Slick Rick.
It's always the Korean
I
one.
see some random girl on Instagram and I'm like, oy, she's cute. You know, I'll send this to Slick. Boom! Liked by Slick Rick.
That's why he's slick.
Exactly. It's the whole algorithm thing is that sometimes like, okay, whatever you liked, and then all of a sudden,
Papasahan lang tayo.
exactly. Like, all right. So just like it. Just keep liking.
Remember the slick pic era? I miss it.
We can bring it back.
Bawal na,
Okay,
bawal na.
wait. Going back into this thing on Instagram.
Oh, yeah,
So
yeah,
whenever,
go.
okay, let's just say you go to somebody's account. So I'm logged into my Instagram account, and let's just say
Okay.
that I
Sige.
click on Slick Rick. Okay, sabihin natin Slick Rick. Then there are 3 dots that appear on the upper right. When you click on the
Yes.
3 dots, there is see shared activity. So essentially, this is the equivalent of meron to sa Facebook yung
See friendship.
See friendship.
Yeah.
So you'll be
Okay.
able to see
Everything.
number 1, the tagged photos and reels that you and Slick Rick tagged each other in, or the person
Okay.
that your account you're watching on your account. The likes, so it shows you which photos or reels of this person you liked, and vice versa. So that you'll also get
Okay.
to see kung ano yung mga nilike nila of yours, and also the comments. So kunwari,
So when
Tin,
someone's sleeping.
If you're-
sabihin na lang
if you're-
natin.
This is on one another's accounts, right?
Yeah.
If you
So-
check slick, ganon.
Yeah,
Okay.
But you have to have the phone.
Yeah, so for example, for Tin's case, you know that Pao is very much into Jisoo, right?
Oh.
So if you go to Pao's phone and then you click on Jisoo,
Yeah.
and then you click on the 3 buttons on the the 3 dots on the upper right, you'll see which photos of Jisoo that he's liked.
So you have to have the phone of the person.
So when they're
Just imagine if
sleeping.
she replied.
Yeah.
So when they're sleeping, you just
Yeah.
like.
Naughty Riri brought this up because she's now checking all her guys.
I'm not.
Yeah, yeah.
I know.
Oh,
I
don't
know.
lie. Don't
I'm
lie.
not.
Don't lie. You told us
No,
that.
Don't look mo naman eh.
I know.
Okay,
He's a pro.
so
Pro right now.
So those 3 dots will basically tell you everything that person is doing with whoever he's liking or has texted,
Okay.
exchange of
And it says
messages.
like the history of when you
Yeah.
guys started
when you
following
first
each
you
yeah.
first started, yeah, basically any kind of communication.
When you first started to follow each other, yeah.
Yeah.
But
yeah.
not personal messages.
You know, it
Oh, but
shows.
you
It shows.
can just
It shows because I checked it. I checked on a girl that I've been texting, and it shows when we started texting each other, which is delix. Like it's like delicado.
Oh, yeah,
talaga.
yeah.
It's like oh
Yeah,
shit.
yeah, yeah.
Oh damn.
He'd be like, oh, damn.
So
Crazy.
So if I were you guys, delete agad.
And take out Face ID. So when they're sleeping.
Another one. Speaking of cheating or at least trying to find out. So there's this new app that, well, it's not new. It's been around for a couple of years now, and Gino's on it probably. Mga bikers runners.
okay.
Strava.
Strava. I love that.
So it's the new dating app.
Yeah,
so
I heard.
Bumble, Tinder's gone in the US. It's now Strava. And one of my friends, so caught her husband
Oh shit.
just recently because she's checked out his Strava, took his phone, and noticed that he got up earlier and his route changed. His route was never Makati. His route was always within the vicinity. I won't say which city
Yeah.
he's from, but he was always running around this city. All of a sudden,
Pateros pero tumakbo sa Makati.
Or that's a alabang. All of a
that
sudden.
day 5:30, 6 a.m.
Pateros
Oh.
far.
Ito 4
Where's
a.m.
4 a.m.
4 a.m.
Oh wow.
Tapos ang layo.
Oh,
Fart.
I won't
effort,
say where.
baka Rockwell Run Club, bro.
where.
Ay.
No,
Yo,
because everyone's on that.
Yeah, come on.
Everyone's on there.
So I'm not gonna say where, but anyways, she checked, and all of a sudden, the from usually 3 to 5K,
Yeah.
naging 10K.
Hayop. Sobrang, baka naman athletic na talaga yung
motivated ni sir. Oh.
Baka moving up in life.
Baka gusto
So-
mag-triathlon or something.
Or at least half a marathon.
So on a weekday, I don't know.
Because Strava kasi has this thing. So like, let's just say you're running, right? And then you see a cute girl running also.
Okay.
If you run with them for a long enough period of time, it will say parang, oh, were you running with this person? So you can group up together. So that's,
like
it's a great way to find out if, who
Find
that
new
person
friends.
is and
Yeah.
whatever.
oh, that's probably how she found out.
Yeah. And apparently, I spoke to some people who were actually part of run clubs. And it's a good way to kind of already filter out certain people. Because you know how certain people are, you're attracted to either money, good looks, personality, or, good habits. So for people who like people who are, athletic or whatever, then it's already like, okay,
Yeah,
that's
it's more
already,
a common hobby that you have.
you're already checking one box, because you know for a fact that they're runners.
And you get up early.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right. So it pays to make lande in the morning.
And it's also,
There's effort there.
it's not enough of a commitment na parang kunwari, okay, let's just say I enjoy talking to you for like 10 minutes and then after 10 minutes I'm like, oh man, I don't want to talk to you anymore. Then you can just, okay, I'm gonna run ahead.
You can run away.
Yeah, you know what I mean?
Run slower or faster.
Run away.
Oh,
Pwede.
What if you're fast
non-committal siya eh.
also?
Hindi maglakad ka. Pabagal ka.
Nice, G.
Oh, pwede naman eh.
What if you don't like the person, right?
Exactly. So you don't have to.
Right.
I think that's the beauty
Yeah.
of it because it's non-committal. You know what
Like
I
a
mean?
movie theater date, like you can't get out of that.
And it's also like speed dating kasi it's a bunch of people. It's not just two people running. It's a whole club. You know what I mean? So if I want to hop from Tony to Slick Rick, easy lang. Oh. Galing ng concept ng run club. Daming
yeah.
run club na yun.
Ang dami. It's the new thing now.
Oh, pero wag naman nating sabihin na lahat ng nasa Strava, yun lang yung habol. Meron namang iba na actual.
No. Some
People
people-
one or two.
Wannabe athletes.
Actual fitness.
Oh,
There.
I think
Yeah.
the whole premise of it is to better improve yourself. Whether it's running, biking, swimming, gym, fitness. But at the end of the day, it's also used now. These running clubs is a form of social gathering.
Plus generally naman, lahat ng tao, malandi lang talaga. Kasi di ba nung hindi pa uso yung mga run club, gym. Dami rin naman naglalandian
Actually,
sa gym
marami
eh.
sa gym.
Yung sauna
dami
nga at
nahuli
saka
doon,
steam
di ba?
room, di ba? Yung mga bigla na lang parang, chine-check out na pala ako nito. Di ba? So,
Sa gym talaga.
kaya nga fit ni Tones eh. no?
Tapos you remember when like everyone was doing the ice bath?
Yeah, that's right. Everybody has
until
it.
now.
Right
They're like, hey, you want to try it out?
Yeah.
It's my first time.
The moves.
Ice bath date.
Yes.
Tapos ang ganda pa, pag nag-ice bath kasi, usually nakabikini ka. Diba? So parang okay rin yun. Kita na agad na.
Parang
Eh,
like,
paano
oh,
sa
okay.
boys? Di ba? Isn't that
Shrinkage. Yung shrinkage.
Oo.
You just wear baggy shorts.
Hindi naman makikita pag kahit naka-shorts ko, kahit sobrang liit na yun.
At least you're there for 3
Makikita.
minutes. 3 minutes lang.
Sobrang liit niya na.
Well, there you go. So that's a little info for you guys that want to check
On
out
Instagram.
A new thing.
Yeah. If you want to know the
And also,
whereabouts.
when you go to someone's profile, did you notice? Hindi na lumalabas yung number of posts nila. So it's just followers.
Oh,
and
Really?
really?
yeah.
Is
I
that
don't know why.
some...
What do you mean?
No, really?
Go, look at someone's profile.
I still see it.
I still see it.
Oh, me wala na.
Oh.
Well, sometimes
then
kasi
I'm not gonna
Instagram
update.
rolls out earlier than
yeah,
ano.
it's just two. Can you see? Oh, shit. Show.
I
Ayan,
wonder
dalawa
why.
na lang. Do you see?
I guess it's something in line with, diba, they had the option to remove the visibility of likes
Yeah.
for the
Yeah.
mental health of people. So maybe that's also the reason why they're taking out the number of posts kasi parang, 10,000 na yung post mo tapos 2 yung likes mo. Yung mga ganun. Baka
Oh, gets.
maybe that's the reason why they took it out. I don't know.
Makes sense, Gino.
Yeah.
Okay. As we promised on the show, we have the funniest guys on the planet joining us this evening. We have GB Labrador. We have Red Olero.
Hi, guys.
And we also have Victor Anastasio who's going to be joining us. He's
here.
He's just parking.
Oh, is he?
I think he's somewhere around.
Is he? I have no idea.
Good evening, guys.
Hello.
Welcome.
Good evening.
Yo.
Hello. Thank you. Gusto ko lang kanina ko gusto mag-input dun sa Run Club.
Sige, go. Part ka ba na Run Club?
Tumatakbo yun nga. Sabi ko, sobrang saya ko na. Ngayon lang ako sobrang thankful na nasa healthy relationship ako na long term. Kasi kung single ako ngayon, tapos ganun yung dating.
Hirap eh.
Wala na to. Celibate na. Wala. Takbo ka tapos manlalandi ka pa. Ang hirap na.
Yung hindi ka na makahinga,
Looking for
tumatakbo
too
ka.
much.
Di ba when they start running, they're like, oh, what's our pace? Chika pace lang. Chika pace. Tapos ikaw like,
Zone 5 na yung heart
They
rate
even
mo.
have these billboards and they line up, right?
Yeah.
So sexy pace.
Talaga?
And then the girls, okay, this is sexy pace.
I think that's a specific Run Club.
Is that a specific?
Yeah, that's
Oh my gosh.
Wow.
I saw this girl.
That's the RRC, bro.
Yeah.
Sexy pace.
On plan naman yung buhay ko. Mid-30s, sabi ko hindi na ako single dapat.
Mid-30s. Tapos yung mga DOM, kailangan tumatakbo. Kasi yung mga matatanda. Parang mga 50. Kaya yung mga matatanda napupunta sa Maynila kasi mga babae doon nakatayo lang sa akin. Parang kaya ko na.
Parang kaya ko to.
Good tayo dito tayo.
Safe to, safe.
Sumutak yung mga babae niya. Kaya na nila matatanda. Pero talo sila sa mga naka-wheelchair.
Gumugulong lang. Rolling.
Pag-Olympics.
Grabe yan. Pati at least ngayon, pag run club, di ba? Walang unfair advantage, walang kotse-kotse, mga ganun.
Actually,
Diba? Walang
Tama.
Yeah,
Usually they do carless, di ba? Pag mga Sunday.
Saka hindi importante sa babae kung may kotse ka.
hindi.
Hindi nila malalaman until nakapag-converse na kayo, no?
Kaya kawawa yung mga nagpayaman ngayon. Apparently wala. Nakasiting na ako, finally, magka-girlfriend na ako. Tapos hindi, pare, run club na ako.
Kasi pressure sa lalaki yung magkaroon ng kotse kasi doon ka lang magkakaroon ng date. Doon lang, salamat Run Club.
Thank you Run Club ha.
Pero I guess,
what's the only thing they can show off is like if they have like the newest sneaker.
Yung mga athleisure gear.
Mga naka-Lululemon.
Or Alo.
Alam mo ba kung yung Lululemon, DB? Alam mo ba kung yung Lululemon?
Ano ba yung Lululemon? Di ba ano yun? Milk tea?
Pwede.
Naging happy lemon eh.
Tumigil na kasi hanggang zago na lang ako.
Uy, bata ka pa nung zago ah. Hindi ka pa ganun katanda na wala na yung zago. Grabe.
Ganun lang yung alam ko.
Pero ewan ko, totoo ba talaga?
Strava
talaga?
Strava, yun yung ano ngayon. Yan yung
Akala ko
bago
parang
sa
nag-trend lang.
marketplace pa lang kasi ako
HM po. Ganun na yung mga sagutan.
Last price.
Dapat discount yan. Cash payment naman eh.
Ayun, yun lang naman yung input ko.
Pakomplikado.
Where did you meet your significant others ba? Sa GB?
Comedy Club.
Comedy Club. Kasi stand-up din siya eh.
Nahuli ko siya sa joke ko eh. Let go.
Ang kwento sa akin ni Gina na naghahanap din daw siya mangliligaw sa kanya.
Actually.
So, butik na tayo naging run club, no? Kung meron lang tayo mas malaking following, tsaka more attractive people. Wala eh.
Ginawa natin.
Ito na yung parang above average look sa comedy scene eh. Wala na kaming
nakita kami may book pa. Kailangan ko na mag-run.
Pero yun. Ako, actually, barkada ko siya since bata pa kami.
Si Victor.
Si Victor. Tapos yun, parang nagkatuluyan kami nung pandemic.
Yun. Okay.
Hindi na ako naghanap ng run club.
Bawal eh, kasi naka-lockdown lahat eh.
Lakas ng effort ng run club eh. Taas ng buy-in.
Grabe. Ang aga pa nun, no? Siguro anong oras yun?
4.
5? No naman, not 4.
Hindi rin ang 4.
4 is like, 4 is like full marathon na yan.
4, you gotta wake up.
Pag gusto mo mauna.
Yeah.
First teams, you
Just imagine you're the first guy there.
Deep system ba doon?
I was invited during the tequila event.
No, that's crazy. 4 a.m. is crazy.
The Patron event.
5 a.m.
4 a.m. gising.
4 a.m. gising.
The girl was like, yo, join us tomorrow. I'm like, what the
Hindi kasi 4 a.m. kasi syempre pagpapaganda ka muna, di ba? Makeup ka muna.
Gets.
I was like, yo.
Actually, doon ako natatawa sa run club kasi di ba masama supposedly to put makeup on your face when you're sweating and when you're
Yeah.
working
Well, the only
out?
thing you should be using just sunblock.
Sunblock. Oh.
No.
But I've seen people na naka-full
no, you
makeup
can't do
talaga.
that.
As in parang tapos
So beat the
syempre
run?
uso ngayon yung no makeup
Yeah,
look, di ba?
yeah.
Tapos pero pa makikita mo na parang yung foundation mo medyo nagra-run na ng
Yung
konti pa.
foundation?
Yung foundation.
I'm sure not you would put on makeup. She don't
Would
need
you?
that.
No, I have eyelash extensions, so I don't need to.
You whatever.
If a woman
Sunblock.
makeup while
Sunblock.
running, let her.
Ang pagkakaalam ko,
Let
may tiers of makeup yan eh. Kasi time ko yung girlfriend ko eh. Kapag 30 minutes lang, low tier pa
Kaya
yan.
4 a.m.
Parang
magising eh.
pang
Kasi
steady
alas
date
7
lang.
pa ready.
Steady date.
Pang mall lang.
Kapag
sine.
kunwari magde-date ng matindi, mga 1 hour and a half yung makeup niyan eh. So,
Iba pa yung
ina-assume
wedding.
ko naman. Iba
Wedding
pa.
makeup, iba rin yun.
Wedding full day. Half day. Half day.
Ano oras yung kasal? 6 p.m. Ano oras ka nandun? 12. 6 hours yung
Yeah,
makeup.
man.
But yeah, may tearing nga. But yeah, I've seen a bunch of people na naka-makeup habang tumatakbo. So,
That's okay. Yeah.
Yeah, that's fine.
Pagdating mo sa finish line, kita mo na yung totoong itsura. Oo. Nag-usaw na siya. Takbo pa tayo,
Tunaw na
malapit
lahat.
ka na makita yung totoong mo itsura.
Sige pa.
Ang round.
Bine-verify ko lang.
One more
Hindi,
thing.
kasama mo 1K, 2K, pag 5K, wala ka na.
wala na.
Wala na. Totoong itsura na niya, no?
Because the thing is, if you give them a towel, here's a towel. No. I'm okay.
Dab-dab lang.
I'm okay. Don't
May rules ba? Like, kunwari kailangan,
bawal
kung gusto mo manglande, hindi pwedeng tumatambay ka lang sa mamo, ganun. Hindi pwede. Kailangan tumatakbo ka with them, ganun.
Parang weird
Hindi,
ata kasi
meron
kung
nga.
tumambay ka sa mamo ng country. Parang hindi siya known
puto ka ng steak,
breakfast
no?
place.
May tomahawk ka ng
Dito
hawak.
na kayo mag-breakfast.
Tapos yung pasta.
Tinan mo si Red, nakatayo lang sa mamo.
At least provider, di ba? Yun yung stability.
tama.
Yun yung asset.
Or hawak ka ng water.
Tama.
Habang umiikot siya.
Or aminin natin, nutrition is important when it comes to wedding. So ikaw yung kumbaga parang taga-sunod lang. Make sure lang that they're okay. Hindi ako runner, pero alagaan kita. Ayan.
Yeah. Actually, pwede naman eh. Kasi they won't really know if you're part of the club or you're just running on your own eh.
So
That's
there is
true.
like a membership here?
There are.
Oh.
May clubs.
I don't think there's payment naman or anything, pero
It's like a community.
yeah, it's a community.
Gets.
Someone has to invite you.
Nakakatawa lang kasi.
I think for the clubs, there are clubs that you can join within that community where they get special perks on like
Made discount.
on
Parang VVIP ganun. Oh.
It's actually a business done by Ashley. It's actually a club.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, it's a company.
So you can't be like a bandit runner.
Yeah.
It's a company that actually.
Nakitakbo ka lang.
Pero marami ganun, di ba? Yung mga actual fun run, may mga bandit runner.
Ano yung mangyayari kung may nakitakbo lang, no?
I'm sure nangyayari yan. I'm sure.
Ginawa namin yun ni Nico Ramos.
Nakakahiya kayo.
Yeah,
Nakakahiya kayo. Di ba ano to?
Jahe.
Nat Geo ba to?
Nat Geo, oo. And then
Alam
we
mo,
started
nakakatawa
working
dito.
for Fox right after that.
Yun yung
Jahe.
nakakatawa na Nat Geo run
Oo.
under Fox. Tapos nagtrabaho kayo sa Fox. Tapos nag-bandit
Oo,
runner pa kayo.
Nakakahiya. Sobrang jahe. Sobrang namin broke.
So hindi kayo nagbayad, tumakbo lang kayo.
Tumakbo lang.
Kami lang yung
Nakirota lang,
hindi
nakirota.
nakabib. Jahe talaga.
Nakiinom
Jahe
lang
talaga.
dun sa mga Gatorade station.
Oo. Tapos 2 months later, may show na kami sa Fox Sports.
Audition pala.
Hindi man lang kinalta sa sweldo nyo yung tinakbo nyo doon. No?
No, it's because you see all those
Be
bandit
a bandit
runners.
runner.
They're just walking to the side. They're like, oh, okay.
Di ba Nat Geo run? That's supposed to be like a
I didn't
run
know
for
that
a
was a
cause.
Yes, Gino, yes.
Bandit
Yes.
runners. Hindi ko alam yun.
Pero even for cycling events, may mga bandit cyclists.
Wow.
Ano.
So hindi sila nagbabayad. Sumasali lang sa race.
So weird.
Kasi hindi naman nila I mean, even if they block off the entire road, what's to stop other people from actually just walking in?
Why don't they just run somewhere else? Ba't kailangan kasama sila?
Wala, syempre gusto nila na parang
With the crowd.
Siguro may
Nice.
friends sila na part ng run pero hindi na sila umabot sa registration, yung mga ganyan.
Sobrang lost sa akin yung concept ng
Or they just don't want to pay.
tatakbo ka ng libre.
Tsaka may iba kumukuha nung mga freebies
Splitin
after.
mo yung exercise mo.
Yeah.
May giveaway.
May giveaway sa
Okay, gets
Senyo.
naman. Okay, gets na.
And it's
I just want to make
Okay,
it clear, we did
premium
not
eh.
get giveaways. Okay,
No.
promise.
Thank you.
But you did line up.
Nico and I did not get giveaways.
You lined up. Pero ba?
Yung mga medyo hirap i-bandit. Remember the Honduras Skyway run?
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
Yun
yeah.
ang mahirap
People-
i-bandit run. Kasi
oh my God.
ba't ka naglalakad dito? Ba't ka nandito sa Skyway? Di ba? Kung hindi ka kasama sa run, yun ang mga mahirap
That was a brutal run.
That was a tough
Yeah.
run.
It was
Meron
exciting
lang sa
though.
amin nun, alay lakad eh.
Ito yung panty polo, di ba? Oo, naalala
Tapos
ko
ang
yun.
nag-lead si Ramos, nakataba ako. Hindi ko maintindihan eh. boys!
Hanggang saan yun? Sa Antipolo yun, di ba?
Panty polo yun eh.
Kasi may mga kilala ko na Bati nag-boxing ako sa Elorde sa Paranaque. Yung mga ibang trainer, nag-aalay lakad sila from Paranaque to Antipolo.
Ano naman yun, Holy Week? Huwag may mix.
Yan ang bakasyon eh, no?
Pero wala pa yata C6 nun eh. No? So
Wala.
Hindi pwedeng kumanta.
Wala pa. Nagbayad silang tol.
Daytran nun.
Totoo, ganun yung run club dati.
Yeah,
Yung mga panahon na walang gadget.
exactly.
Ang mga dating mga ano natin, simbang gabi.
Simbang gabi.
Hindi, saka
Hindi
mga
madaling
ano.
araw yan, naka-makeup ka rin yan.
Simbang
mga-
gabi, totoo eh.
Oo, tatamba, di ba?
Yung mga Youth for Christ, Singles for Christ. Dami
Yeah.
na napupunta ng ano dyan para lumandi.
Yan, level 1 yan eh, singles for Christ. Tapos malagi kayo na, couples for Christ.
Couples for Christ eh.
Oh, meron tayong notepad. Nanonood sa FB si James Karaan.
Oh, James.
Pala, si James
Hi,
kasi.
James.
Kasama siya dapat.
Kasama siya dapat, kaso sikat na siya.
Nakuha siya ng commercial.
Meron siya nakuha ng commercial.
So he has a shoot tonight.
400,000 yung TF niyan. So,
Ayop.
ayun.
Oh, halos same ng sweldo ni Gino every month.
Bunyagan din ang
Wait lang.
Si Gino kasi 300k a month sa Magic lang.
Meron na mga taong naniniwala na totoo yun. So can we please stop?
So, 4 kami dapat. So, kasi yung sa Absolute Mega Best na lineup ng shows is me, Victor, Anastasio, James, Karan, saka si Red. And then si James merong commercial. Siya makapunta. Kasi ganito lang pag masikat na ito. Si Victor, kagaling lang niya sa Last One Laughing.
Sa
Tapos,
Prime Video.
kaya wala siya ngayon dahil hindi niya nalagay sa calendar niya.
Yun yung nalaman namin yung excuse.
Yan ang mga comedians.
Nakakatawa pero hindi organized. Di ba?
Yan ang buhay namin eh.
But you guys have a
As
show.
DJs, we can relate. Ganun din kami.
Actually, in the middle of a tour kami ngayon. Wow.
Wow.
I spent like mga 7 days lang. Spent mga 14 days lang here in Manila. But on Friday, we'll be flying to Cebu. Naman layo eh. First time namin to go out, kaming apat, to do like theater shows outside of Manila. Kasi nung
Congratulations.
Thank you sir.
Congrats.
Si GB, nung pinangalanan niya yung Comedy Manila, medyo
Hindi ako nag-isip eh.
hindi niya naisip na kaya namin yung
Kala ko wala pang kuryente sa ibang
So, ngayon, we did one in Baguio 2 weeks ago.
Ay, shoutout sa Up North Comedy.
Yes.
Led by John Racho. May small group of stand-up comedians, open micers siya sa Baguio. It's keeping stand-up alive.
Yes.
Okay, so
Good
good job.
Tumulong sa amin mag-set up din dyan.
And then we'll do Cebu this weekend. Sana manood kayo. Kung manood kayo, kung sana taga Cebu kayo, please manood kayo.
Abot naman to sa Cebu.
Parang galit sila sa atin eh. Kasi
hindi
nakita
naman.
nila yung Comedy Manila, parang ayaw nilang bumili ng ticket. Parang, Cebu kami! Parang ganun yung gusto nilang.
Yung Comedy Manila.
You have to change your name.
Comedy Manila before.
Dapat din natin nilagay na Comedy Manila.
Dapat comedy na lang.
Oo nga.
Comedy Cebu.
Yeah, meron nga dati. Kaso, magjowa kasi yung founder. Nakulong yung isa.
Nakulong?
Jowa na po.
Ano ginawa niya?
Napaaway siya.
Nakakatawa kasi hindi siya magaling na hindi siya magandang example of a comedian eh. Hinekel siya.
Nagsi-speedrun siya ng may run club din sila.
Hindi.
Kasama niya sa run club.
Parang di ba kaka-break niya lang or something like that? Hindi ko na alam. Mga comedians kasi nagkukwento. So dinadagdagan na
So hindi mo na alam kung ano ito.
Pero ang basis parate.
May tumawag sa kanyang racist.
May tumawag sa kanyang racist.
Tapos
na audience member.
It hit a nerve, I think. Heckler.
Just went off.
Pumitik siya.
Pinapakan niya. Parang ganun.
Sabi niya, hindi ako racist, violent ako.
mas okay to.
So,
I'm violent towards all races.
Tama naman siya. He was right.
So yun yung nangyari sa Comedy Cebu.
Pero hindi si Buano yung nag-put up. He is actually an American.
Si Gary.
Mabait yan.
Okay.
He's been a good friend all throughout.
Naabutan lang ng maling panahon.
Parang Will Smith kind of.
Oo.
Parang ganun.
Kaso yung isa sa kamay, baso ng beer.
Baso ba ng beer? Hindi ko alam. Akala ko sinapak lang yan. Hindi ko na.
Dumadagdag na yung kwento.
Seryoso ba yun?
Kaya it got him
Deported.
na nakulong siya sa Hong Kong. Because he was that bad.
Pero ang tagal na
Wait,
nun.
nasa Hong Kong siya?
Yeah, nung time na yun.
At that time, he was in... kasi ano siya sa IT siya eh.
Daming layers ng kwento na to.
Maraming layers to. Kahit isang comedian lang, ginawa naman siya. Daming layers yan. Just by looking at him.
Wait na lang audio format to. No? Hindi tayo.
Wait, so it's your first show in Cebu.
Meron.
In a while. Yeah.
Kailan mangyayari and then where is it gonna be?
It's gonna be this Saturday at
Cebu.
Cebu. Yes. SM Prime Theater.
Where is it gonna be?
Kaya pala wala nanonood eh.
Marcelo B. Fernan Press Center. It's a small theater, 220 seats. We're doing 2 shows, 4 p.m. and 8 p.m. Tas tickets are available sa comedymanila.ph.
Yeah.
So yun, makikita
Pero
niyo.
sobrang, ano mo yun, excited ako punta sa Cebu kasi Cebu talaga, game yan sa comedy talaga.
Yeah.
Oo, totoo.
One of the
Ganda
fun
ng art scene din
audiences. Yun nga lang talaga, medyo mas prefer nila English more than Tagalog.
Of course.
They're
So when
really
I'm asked to
more...
perform there, English.
Cebuano.
Cebuano!
talaga
Cebuano!
Ayan na, o sinasabi na niya!
Kunin mo na ng pera. Dubai,
Ilan?
100,000 sweldo mo.
300K to.
300,000 divided by ilan lang tickets yun.
Pero totoo yan na mas mas they prefer English more than
Yeah.
kasi parang, and my point kasi sinabi mo kanina na you should name it Comedy Cebu. Kasi parang medyo may hindi naman, I wouldn't say like they're
Di kami nagsabi
against Manila. Pero alam mo yung parang merong
Territorial.
ano kasi parang okay, 'di ba there's this giant argument that's going on now na why is Tagalog more factored into Filipino as a national language when there are more Bisaya speaking
speakers.
So may mga ganun na parang imperialist Manila or whatever. But you know, I live in both, so I'm okay.
So parang ganyan. Pero most of the jokes, even the religious jokes that I have written, well, actually, nasa Cebu ako niya at that time. And the Cebuanos will be the first audience to hear that joke.
Tsaka they're not as easily offended.
Yes.
Yan ang ano sa Cebuano.
Talaga, kinikilabutan
Mas brutal yung comedy ng
Kasi
Cebu.
sila yung pang-test ko muna eh. If the Cebuanos will laugh,
alam mo, gagana sa'yo.
Ano to? Wala.
Hindi, sa Cebuano approved joke.
Tawagin niyo lang si Gino.
Papuntay lang natin show, no?
Test market siya.
Pero really excited to finally be able to share the stage with everyone. Kasi usually, isa-isa lang kami nakaka-perform sa Cebu kasi usually may corporate, ganyan. Or may mga special
private
events.
booking.
Ganyan. But now, all 4 of us. And then, hindi pa corporate. So, medyo
Public show
talagang
siya,
Mas all out ka.
Mas all out.
So with this all-star lineup, who gets to go first? Anong bunutan to?
Bunutan. Parang
Kasi
ganun.
also bunutan
Randomizer. Online randomizer.
At this point kasi, since all headliner show, anyone can really close. So, there's a rotate lang ni Red. Minsan nga, randomizer talaga.
Randomizer talaga. Tapos kapag kunwari wala lang doble sa dulo. Parang ganun lang yung...
Kasi we're all doing same time.
30 to 40 minutes
we're all doing
kami.
headlining material.
Wow.
So,
If you could choose, is there a spot ba na you would rather have?
The first one.
Iniiwasan nyo maging opener, iniiwasan nyo
Ano
maging
yung mas
closer.
madali para sa inyo?
Kapag ganitong lineup, mas maganda opening ka. Kasi walang expectation yung tao. Diba? Kasi baka compare ka eh. Kung nandoon si GB sa akin, wala. Ako, wala pala tong Red Dog, walang gitara.
Ang sweet spot is the middle part.
Talaga, ako opener. Mahilig ako mag-open.
Yung first comedian already warmed up the audience. So usually the second, third comedian.
Kumbaga tumatawa na sila at this point. So ang pinakamahirap last.
Always.
Last will always be the hardest. Kaya ang pag-headliner ka, you get paid more. Diba? Sa comedy club. Kasi ikaw yung most experienced, kaya mo ma-handle kahit gaano kahirap yung audience. Mas marami kang jokes.
Tsaka more often than not, ikaw talaga yung pinupuntahan pag ikaw yung huli. Pero ito all-star to eh.
You are the last impression. Of the audience. So kung magaling ka, babalik sila lahat.
Yeah.
They don't care about the first few anymore.
At this point, ba kinakabahan pa kayo pag
Nandun, kanina pa ako nandun sa labas eh. Kahit pag guesting, kinakabahan.
Bakit ka ako eh? Naglalala ba dito sa labas?
Tatambay ka lang doon.
Sabi ko, di ba dito yung guesting? Di mo away. I'm happy to say that it doesn't go away.
Kasi I think kasi yung nature ng stand-up, walang guarantee kahit gaano ka nakagaling.
Di ba parang...
It's always a different crowd.
That's always what I think of na parang whenever... Kasi I mean, obviously with hosting, there's always like, you can go back to just, the program. Yeah. Parang okay, I might not be funny but I can get this program from point A to point B.
Yes.
But with
flow.
Stand-up comedy, tsaka parang I feel like for you guys, kunwari, nagmintis ka sa first 2 jokes mo. Yung feeling mo nung third joke mo para, shit, sasablay ako dito. Medyo may ganun siya.
Wala ka ng momentum.
So, in your long careers, has that ever happened to you na parang medyo sumablay ako sa first two pero nabawi ko somehow sa third? Then what ano yung mentality nyo going into that?
Yes.
No? Kasi,
parang lahat ng klase ng minsan may time na you do really well.
Right.
15 minutes bilang mawawala. Tapos bilang you'll do well again.
Babalik
may mga
na naman.
napagod pala. Mga ganun. So yeah, may mga ganyan na tipong wala talaga nung una. Dapat di ka mag-give up eh. Lalo na mahaba set mo.
Diba? Coming from a joke that didn't work.
Okay.
Sa utak mo, while doing the second bit, kinakabahan ka na pag ito hindi ko maano.
Wala na to.
While performing
habang nagkasalita ka niya, naisip mo.
You're already thinking of a backup joke or something to
Yes.
say just in case this does
Hinuhukay mo na yung mga iba mong mas
It's like
kilalang
making
joke.
love for the first time
Parang
again.
stressful.
Yes. It's like, am I gonna explode? You know?
Ito ba, maganda bang ending nito?
I don't want to come too quick.
Exactly.
Always. Sa lahat ng aspeto.
Exactly.
Pero, when we practice sa open mic, yan ang pinapractice namin is how you hold your ground during those tough
moments.
Yung parang dapat hindi mahalata ng tao na nahihirapan ka.
Is that when you guys pause sometimes and you just walk or
baka nakalimutan.
May mga ganon.
because I see the pause which is important at times.
Kasi sometimes you have to give them a break from kasi
Saka
patuloy
meron lang
Timing.
may certain bilang lang yung pause na yan. Na
Until you lose it.
Any longer than 4 seconds, ma-detect na ng audience na you're
in trouble.
It gets uncomfortable.
and you don't want your audience to feel that.
Bakit nyo pinasok tong trabaho na to? Parang stressful niya.
Yan ang tinatanong namin every time we're about to go on stage.
To. Ba't di na lang ako nag-doktor? Mga ganun.
Pero once you
Buhay
hear,
lang naman yung mawawala.
pero once you hear the first laugh,
Yun
Wala na.
kaya kanina pag dito tumawa si Tony, okay na.
Okay na.
The
Next time
nerves.
pa lang pag nakapila ka na din sa labas.
It's like, okay na to.
Yung nervous yung lakad lang eh. From when you're getting your name introduced, papunta dun sa stage, until you say your first joke, yun yung nervous. That's where it kind of like ends eh. I guess siguro may something yung response yung katawan mo na, ito na, game na. May adrenaline shoots up, so parang hindi na magbila ka magpo-perform. Parang performance mode, di ba? Parang
Kailangan talaga yung kabay. Adds up to the yung...
Saka as obviously stand-up comedians, I'm sure your friends, whenever they see you also, parang, patawa ka naman, no? Nangyayari ba yun sa inyo? Tapos parang nababanter ba kayo minsan? Gusto nyo sila sampalin na parang, dapat ba kailangan funny ako all the time?
Make me laugh,
Hindi
clown.
naman sampalin. Minsan gusto ko rin sa bunut.
Wrestler po.
wrestler. Sorry. Pile driver.
Okay lang, tapos sumunod wag mo lang hampasin ng baso naman.
Assault na yan eh.
But how over the years, obviously you've gained more fans, the following. Stand-up comedy has blown up from 18 years ago.
Grabe.
When you first started, I remember. How do you handle the advances of the opposite sex or even the same sex?
Ayun.
Ako nga, boys night out nga pala to.
Kailangan na paalala ni Tone sa inyo.
Ikaw, JB.
Alam mo yung makahiya, diba? When you touch it. When someone compliments me too much, I shy away and then I leave the conversation.
Wow.
Hindi na ako makapagsalita.
You're like, okay, thanks.
Parang galing-galing mga ganun. Usually, diba, that's the first thing.
Hinahawakan ka.
That's an opening. Kumbaga parang that's an opening na, okay, she likes your set.
She finds you funny or whatever.
So parang yan na yung pwede mo i-take advantage if you are a single man or single woman. Pero me, I shy away, so parang alis na ako.
I think buti na lang
Parang
hindi masyadong...
self-esteem issue yan. Self-esteem issue yata yan.
Ganyan ng compliment.
Okay ka lang, Jeeps? Baka
Baka nag-start yung
gusto mo
conversation.
therapy or...
May isang ganyan eh. Parang hindi mo naman masisi, pero when someone says, ikaw ang bias ko sa kanya.
Ganun.
Hindi, pag gumano na, hindi na ako makapagsalita.
So,
parang...
Pero mahirap din naman mag-react kasi pag sinabi mo parang, oo nga, ako nga, yabang mo naman. So parang, how do you react to...
Ang hirap mahirap maglandi ng... Ayun ko, I've always found it hard na manglandi ka ng sa workplace mo.
Si Tones doesn't find it.
Anytime, anywhere.
Anytime!
Yan ang kailangan tumakbo. Sila yung tumatakbo palapit sa kanya.
Pero good, diba? Ang hirap eh. Kasi baka mamaya okay, fine, patulan mo. May mangyari sa inyo. Di ba, alam mo yun?
Saka hindi kami yung...
Nung single ako nito, by the way. Just in case.
Sa backstage or any... Kami mga comedians na hindi kami maano sa... yung, may babae sa ano. You're not that type eh. Si
Meron ba mga ganyan? Can you name names?
Oh, nandito minsan na.
Minsan lang ba? Regularly
Nandito minsan na. Parang nakita ko lumabas.
Like, okay
we're
to,
not that type. We're there for the comedy, then we go home. And then we hang out. Wala pa eh.
Ang utak ko kasi parang gusto ko pa siyang bumili ng mga at least 4 pan ticket eh. So pag nilandi ko siya ngayon, di ba? Wala na yun. No. Diba? Lilibre mo na yun.
Lost income.
Siguro kami,
Business-minded kami.
tayo sa after shows, ang pinaka-inaabuso natin pagkain.
Pati bar lang
Sa
dati.
tayo kakain.
Nalala mo dati nung umiinom pa tayo lahat. Grabe.
Oo, nung sa
Inuubos
Tomato
talaga
Cakes,
namin yung-
45 pesos, 500 ml na red.
Ubusan na rin.
Diba? Yun yung mga masayang...
May mga ritual ba kayo before you go on stage? Kasi diba like a lot of athletes, they usually have...
Tumae.
Nice.
Ay, pwede ba sabihin? Sorry. Nabahan ako. Pwede. Yeah.
Ako meron akong boxers na sinusuot ko pag big show.
Special boxers.
Butas na siya.
How long have you had these boxers?
Dadalhin mo ba yan sa Cebu?
Dadali mo
Parang
sabihin.
sabi ko, meron ako yung nagsumali ako ng comedy festival sa Hong Kong. Si Hana, sobrang ginagamit ko siya palagi. Wasak na yung boxers. So ang ginawa ko, nagsuot ako ng regular boxers.
Over.
Sinira ko. Sino ko yung ano.
Actually, you know what? I have boxers from my prom.
Pet sa akin na lang.
Oh my God.
Ano ko ibibigay sa akin?
From your prom?
Anong buenas nung
I
boxers?
still have it. I still have it.
Why do you keep it?
Why is it special?
Do you wear
Ano to gawa sa dahon?
Papyrus, Gino.
No, CK. I'll bring it.
There's a robot time.
He's gonna bring
Is it your lucky boxers ba yan? Or...
Sobrang gago yung gawa
You
mo to
always
sa
get
dahon.
one of those
Tarantado ka, Gino.
It's called Adam.
Bahag yata yun, bro.
I think it's just because it was red and white. Calvin Klein.
Yung lucky boxers ko ngayon is sa red boxers. Kaso may butas na talaga siya.
Medyo crucial din yung placement ng butas. Saan yung
Sa dalawang
butas?
pisngi.
Pisngi lang.
Hindi,
Kaya
sa
pa.
akin, wasak na.
Wala na.
Warat na.
But you still have it kasi
I still have it. I just kept it.
superstitious.
Hoarders itong...
Hoarders.
He doesn't throw out anything.
I just keep it because there's sentimental value in that.
Yung kasi yung suot niya, nung kinain ni Eve yung, apple.
Dinagdagan pa yung dahon talaga.
Kinast out siya from the Garden of Eden.
Grabe.
Right when he saw it, it's like, no! Eve! Now we've been kicked out of the club.
Sobrang sagad nung age joke na yan.
Wala na itatanda.
So wala na itatanda pa. Di man lang Magellan or something.
At least sa akin, bahag lang.
When life started. Now for you guys, like obviously you have your you have your script, you have everything lined up. Has there ever been a time that you've actually just veered away because
Off script.
off script that all of a sudden you forgot your last 20 minutes because the crowd was so good that you're like, okay, let's run with
I'm
this.
gonna free ball this.
Nangyari siya madalas actually.
Okay.
Ako, lalo na ako if I do a set list, ano lang
Crowd
ako
work siya eh. Crowd work show siya.
bullet points lang ako eh. So it's very loose talaga. May mga tao talagang verbatim yung script nila.
Right.
Like whatever you see now, you'll see probably next week.
The next show also.
Pati yung setup, yung punchline and everything. Ako, very loose ako mag-ano. And I opened myself up to like opportunities na kunwari. Someone laughed weird. Parang weird not to address it. Diba? May mga ibang tao, they do like a fourth wall. Parang ganun. Kunwari, wala talaga. Pero ako, anything.
You're crowd-based.
Yeah.
Crowd-sourced.
Kaya masarap kapag maganda yung pag marami yung crowd. They're there to really watch. Because they open themselves up then to, kind of like banter with you. Hindi naman siya okray eh. More of like, palitan kayo. Crowd work talaga.
Gets.
How was it doing the Netflix?
Okay naman.
Steady lang.
Siya nga lang naman ang
Hindi ko natalo yung Queen of Tears.
unang Pilipino comedian na nakapag-Netflix special.
No, that was incredible. Congratulations on that, Red.
Walang lahing putito.
Wala akong lahat.
Wala?
I saw in the top 10 eh. I was like, holy shit. Rololero.
Akala ko rin, nagulat din ako eh. Parang, totoo ba to? Tawag doon, dinoktor to na Netflix or something.
Pero binasa nila sa bigat mo.
Oo nga, bigat. Hindi naman nabilaw ka pa.
Bilis ng karma.
Sinasayang yung punchline
yung
doon.
comedy god sinabi.
Ginawa ka yung bahag na saka
Jimmy, swallow.
Kahit di mo mahal.
Hindi mo mahal. James, ano ka ba?
Si Tony nagsabi, hindi nagpabakil kasi.
Pero masaya siya. Yung, ang actually, ang pinaka-takeaway ko lang from the Netflix one is hindi ko na enjoy yung mga taong nag-enjoy. Kasi usually live tayo, di ba? So pag tumawa sila sa joke mo, gets mo, di ba? I just see it sa stories, kung pinost nila ako and everything. So ako,
Delayed yung reaction.
It just made me miss the live shows more.
Yes.
Yeah, so talagang ang response ko na, tara, show pa tayo. So maraming beses. Parang ganun. Tsaka hindi ko matali yung Queen of Tears.
Medyo...
Yun yung tumalo sa... Hindi ako nag-number 1 dahil dun. Tapos nakita ko the next day, pagising ko yung girlfriend ko nanonood ng Queen of Tears.
But you've also branched
Siya yung may kasalanan.
Siya yung may kasalanan. Isa na lang daw eh. 1 point na nga lang daw.
But you've also branched out. You're basically on IMDb. I think you're an actor now. So
Racket.
congratulations
Thank you,
on
thank
that.
you.
I mean, shouldn't stand-up comedians be on television?
Doing movies.
We've had a lot of stand-up comedians who have done television.
Like, I see in the
Movies, yes.
it's like golden, right? You know what I mean? You see in the States.
Oo.
Yeah. So many. Dane Cook, one of
Yeah.
them. Like
Dane
from
Cook,
X amount of years back.
Or at
Yeah.
least
Or like the mga Conan O'Brien, mga ganun,
or at least
diba?
doing
Late night shows.
Si Adam Sandler,
Yeah.
pinaka-evident,
Adam Sandler.
I guess.
Oh, I love
stand-up
him.
to mainstream career. Oo, yun talaga yun.
Yun ang path eh. That's the path of the
Sana.
stand-up comedian talaga. Kasi ang stand-up
gusto mo
comedian,
sumikat na sa TV, Jim?
gusto talagang pangarap
Viva
ko
Max ba to?
magkatulad ni DJ Tony. Pero yun ang path eh. Like, you can have a path. When you do stand-up, nag-act out ka, you act out, you write your own material, you act out your own material, you go into character.
Yeah.
Someone sees you, you can act.
Right.
So, you end up acting.
Yeah.
Oh, you can write. You end up as a writer. And then, you can direct. And you end
Tapos
up
pag may pera ka na,
directing.
you can produce.
Pero mas
ayan.
masaya kasi mas masaya talaga mag-live stand-up. Kaysa mag-act. Acting wala eh. Kahit nakakatawa ka on set, ang tumatawa doon, iilan lang yung
Ilan
tao.
lang,
Minsan di pa sila
And
tatawa
especially for
kasi
you na you really react to the audience, diba?
But there are certain projects that comes to you
Na masaya.
na maganda.
Yeah.
And then you will like it. Like yung ako, I usually do a little bit of bit roles here and there.
Yeah.
Pero kasi
May movie
syempre-
ka coming up, di ba?
Oh,
it's
there's a movie coming up. Yeah. So I'll be playing a
Viva Max.
very handsome guy.
Viva Max na.
Very handsome guy.
We'll see you here again.
Ayoko pa mag-Viva Max.
Hindi ka pa ready for mature roles.
Pero may opportunities.
Pero I do write. I have some concept shows for concept movies for Viva Max also.
Ako din.
So nagsusulat din kami. We also
mga
pitch for movies.
Tatlong DJs doon o 4 ng DJs na
Gagawan natin ikaw.
Gusto mo ba? Gusto mo, tungkol lang
Gusto
dun
ko
eh.
Confession sessions.
He's been waiting.
Nag-aantay lang siya ng...
Oo nga.
Dimples yung pangalan. Ano?
Maganda yung nakalagay na sa script, no? Diba?
Pero you will really end up somewhere in comedy if you keep on doing stand-up. May paglalagyan ka.
Yeah.
Yun yung nakakatuwa. Kasi when you pour your heart into comedy will love you back some way, somehow.
Yeah. Kayo ba, nung in your younger years, no? Ano, mga high school, college, were you guys always the funniest in your barkada or in your group?
Ako hindi.
Ako yung ako bunso eh.
No.
Bunso kasi ako.
No,
Bunso
ano,
ako.
modesty aside, like, be honest
Ako
lang.
yung kung ano yung insult comedian ako sa friends. Insult comedian.
Okay.
Same. I think nag-gravitate lang ako towards funny people. So lahat ng barkada ko, usually
Laughter
sila
din.
yung nakakatawa. Parang sa high school, mga barkada ko, laki kasi ng high school namin, San Beda, Alabang. So, parang yung barkada ko, puro siya mga class clown ng mga iba-ibang section. Parang ganun. So, parang I'm always around funny people, I guess. Parang ganun.
for those that are listening, because we have students as well, young students, is stand-up comic can be a skill set learned.
Oo.
Someone that's not funny.
Lalo
Someone
na, ako, I grew up in comedy. I started 17, 18 years old. So, talagang yung pagiging
The
adult
minute I was
ko
born, ano, sa joke na eh.
Master Yuris pala ito.
May pa-joke.
So 17 years old, 18 years old,
Yeah.
you were already...
So, parang lahat ng, I guess, adult life skills ko very attached because I was doing stand-up comedy. at a young age. No? So malaking bagay, yeah.
Yeah.
It's a good skill set to have. Public speaking, confidence in talking, anywhere.
Making people laugh.
honestly.
Generally.
Yeah.
Diba? Like, you put them in a better mood. They're more
Parang
susceptible to whatever.
you become the icebreaker.
Yeah.
And everyone's like, oh,
Even for people in sales, di ba? Yung mga nakakatawa.
Tsaka
Usually.
malaki siyang parang introspective din na the journey. Kasi when you write material, it's usually your experiences na masama that you turn into great.
Something funny.
So, may level of maturity ka ma-achieve kapag
Yung insecurities mo, these things, you can poke fun of.
Self-esteem issues mo.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
Yung Comedy Manila, when we were starting, ang isa sa mga unang ginawa namin, we took the comedy to the schools.
Okay.
Tuturo kami. Like, this year, Lasal, we did workshops and stand-up.
How do you even teach comedy? Because I mean, obviously a lot of it is timing.
Yeah, I don't like
in
it.
your case, reacting.
your experiences.
What's the most basic piece of advice you can tell someone na parang, yo, I want to be funnier. What do I do?
Yeah.
Be original.
Yes. Keep
You have to
writing.
write your own jokes. So, yan yung una.
Yeah, but how do you know what to write?
Yun din eh, no? Yun din eh.
And is it funny? Because
Sometimes
it
if
might
it's
be
too
funny
long-
for me,
Yeah,
but is it funny for you?
For Gino saying it, delivering it, perfect.
Here-
Ako naman,
thanks.
mahaba ako
Yeah.
magkwento
Yes.
eh.
Exactly, yun din. Iba-iba yung
Hindi
style.
lang yun yung
Yeah.
mahaba kay Tones kasi.
Gago. F you.
The ladies know that.
Honestly, I feel like it's such a difficult skill to teach.
It is.
Diba? So, kayo, how do you guys even open that?
Even between us, parang meron kaming different schools of thought because sobrang, I mean, medyo similar yung we do stand-up pares, pero
Right.
yung style namin magkaiba of writing. din.
Exactly. So you have your sweet spots eh.
Yeah.
So your personality has to come out.
Yes. I think ang number one tip na binibigay ko is, tama ka eh, you have to be original kasi you practice that creative muscle. And when you create and you create and you create, you kind of like carve out an identity. And if you're a very strong individual and it comes out sa mga performances mo, that's when you kind of like buo mo yung voice mo of comedy.
Humor mo yung nasa stage.
Yeah, humor mo. Kasi if you're thinking about ano ba nakakatawa para sa kanila, then you're just a text joke na lang yan, di ba? Or a meme, di ba?
Tama yun eh. Ikaw natatawa ka. That's the first step.
Yes.
Matawa ka muna dun sa
sarili mo.
Sa idea.
So you have to say it in your head and then if you laugh, okay, pwede.
Talaga? And then you write it down.
I'm not funny then.
Why? Don't you find anything you
Grabe ka naman, no? Hindi yan, ano.
No, I don't do that. I don't say it in my head.
Yeah.
Maybe because I'm not on that platform.
Kasi pag
Pwede.
nandito ka na sa mundo
Yeah.
ng pagsusulat
If you're,
and stand-up,
yes.
24/7 you're thinking
Yun na yun. You think
Yeah. I'm more on the fact of what to bring on the plate here on the show. Ano.
Oh yeah, it's,
pwede.
so
You say it right away.
Kakalibrate mo lang naman yung
Yeah.
you put that skill
But it's not
set.
funny. Sa akin, anong stupid shit that's happening around me. Right?
Yeah.
Like what?
Well, the thing is
tinuro mo
you're
sila ng
very
stupid shit
observant. So once you're observant, is
Malaking bagay yun,
it becomes funnier to other people.
Yun din yung maganda sa comedy because as much as we can say these tips, some comedian will come along and he does something different.
Yeah.
And then ma-realize mo, well, you can't say na mali yung ginagawa niya.
Oh, kasi gumagana, it's working for him.
It's not much original, di ba? Parang ganun.
Walang restrictions. din kasi.
Iba talaga eh.
Pero yun, have a funny thought, tapos gusto mo siyang subukan in stand-up format, then you go to open mic. Diba? Doon mo pa-practicein.
Wait,
that's when you find out.
Yun na ba yung next step agad? Open mic agad? Like,
Yes,
is
you can start with your friends.
Okay, yeah. Because
Sa
I feel
inuman.
like, di ba, parang to a certain degree, especially if you're, you know, a lot of people are afraid of public speaking.
Yeah.
If I'm not mistaken, it's the number one fear in the world.
Talaga?
Yeah.
Yeah, number one.
Statistically, it's the
Wala
number one.
pala kayo eh. Mahina pala kayo lahat.
Number one.
I didn't
Number
know
one
that.
fear in the world is
Grabe.
public speaking. And so, yun nga, parang for people who have to conquer that first, it's okay to run it by your friends.
Yes.
Parang, so, when you guys started, did you have like, oy, parang upo nga muna kayo dyan? Or parang situational,
Situational.
na parang nag-iinuman kayo, tapos parang
Ako, I would advise against it nga eh. Mas gusto ko nga, ewan ko.
natural lang.
Parang ganun.
May isip kasing nakakatawa, nabibitawan mo sa tropa mo. That's a joke.
Right.
Already. In essence, that's a joke.
Yeah.
That is written for your friends.
Yeah.
Now, that joke that you have written for your friends can work to other people. You just have to rewrite it.
You just have to explain it to them.
You have to rewrite it in a way where
Na hindi siya inside joke.
Yes,
how
tama,
would
tama.
strangers accept the first few words of this thing that you're going to say. Diba? Yun na yung, that's when it becomes tricky. Diba?
That's why you work on things that are immediately visible. Kunwari, pag pumasok sa stage, nakita nila mataba ako, edi pwede na tayo kagad. Magsimula na kagad tayo doon, di ba?
Get it out of the way na.
Wala nang intro-intro yan eh, di ba? Hindi mo na kailangan i-prove eh. Di ba?
Diretso ka na sa punchline, tao na sila.
That's why I feel like comedians...
No, man, it's
a different level.
Like, all over the world. Like, I feel like when a girl likes a comedian,
look at Pete Davidson.
Yeah. Ibang level.
Yeah.
I feel like
look at that
because
guy.
the girl's in love with the mind of the person. More than the looks, it's the mind of how he creates.
Saka you can't pay for laughter.
Yeah.
No matter how rich you are, I can't make you laugh by throwing money at you. You know what I mean?
Actually, I can
Gusto mo ba ng kahit 50% lang ng 300,000 mo?
Advantage card. Ano ba? Green card.
Parang hindi pa tested yan.
Sodexo!
Uy, pwede sa Dexo sa gas station, di ba? Pwede na, okay na yun.
Isa pa, Gino. Isa pa.
Ano ba?
Isa pa.
One other thing that I noticed with a lot of stand-up comedians is outside of the written stuff that you have, or you know the sketches that you already have in your mind, I also noticed that stage presence is also very particular with stand-up comedians. Na parang it might look like they're just walking onto the stage, but they're actually walking differently than how they do when they're off this.
May ganun din kayo. I remember I watched Bill Burr for the first time.
Okay, yeah.
Tapos ang ginawa niya lang was kinakamusta niya lang yung audience while rolling up his sleeves.
Yeah.
And I'm like, that's such a trick. Parang sinasabi niya na, casual lang to. Relax
easy
kayo,
lang.
no problem. Di ba ganun? So parang, okay. Kailangan ko ng ganun.
So you did that.
Or si Chappelle, nag-yoyosi lang sa stage.
Nag-vape.
Tapos nakaangat yung isang leg niya doon sa speaker.
Ano ba tayo? Usually ako, parang parang inaayos ko yung upuan. Ganong klase.
Zipper, hindi pa.
Hindi. Wala. Kailangan on yun. Kung hindi, first 10 minutes ng set mo, walang mag-pay attention sa'yo.
Hindi ko alam kung funny siya.
Hindi naman eh. Bakit may nakalabas pang balat? Wala pa siyang brief. Alam mo yun, yung mga ganong Pero ako, inaayos ko yung upuan. Parang pinapakita ko na, casual lang to. Walang kahit anong So parang yun yung trick.
So even then, yung mga movements niyo on stage, may kumbaga may meaning behind it, may
kasi
direction to it.
Economy of time din tayo kasi minsan booked ka 20 minutes. I think nag-open ako kay JR De Guzman. He gave me like 8 to 10. So parang gusto kong pasikat diba? So kailangan talagang lahat ng every second counts.
Jump back,
ganun.
What's your sweet spot for you? You might have a different sweet spot. I don't know, pero ano yung depends where.
Puro landmines tong usapan na to.
G-spot yan. Where you like it?
Ako dito.
Samba.
Sa Pateros.
Yun yung sweet spot.
Sabi kasi nila, kailangan ipasok para malaman. Hindi ko na alam masyado yan.
Dito.
Natatakot ako malaman. Kung saan.
Winner. Ka.
Nakataas na yung pants.
He's waiting.
Naka-white cam White cam tayo eh.
Kumbaga the sweet spot of time. Because, for some people...
How long a performance?
Kasi parang, if I give you a 3-hour performance, medyo upakan naman
yun. Ano trip mo,
diba?
Tips?
Exactly 1 hour for an hour show. Sakto yan.
1 hour.
Kasi pansin ko, if you go beyond 1 hour,
pagod na rin yung tao.
Parang napapagod yung tao nila. They're still happy, pero won't be
how long yung pinakamahaba mong set na ginawa? Alam ko nag-marathon ka isang beses.
So I did
comedy Turuin lang natin ang comedy.
2 hours and 30.
Yeah.
Wow. So I did all of my...
2 hours and 30?
Crazy. I've never even hit 2 hours. 1 hour, 50 minutes yung pinakamahaba ko. Tapos pagdating ko backstage, talagang nag-collapse na.
Pass out levels.
Madaya din naman kasi ako because I do act outs, I go in character.
So may scenes ka.
So, ang description nga, iniisip ko, paano nga ba ako sa stage? Then I remember isang comedian went up to me after my show and then he said, you know what, GB, you're like watching a cartoon.
Very animated.
Very animated. I go into characters, ganyan.
Yeah.
So hindi ako I rarely talk to the audience.
Okay.
But unless
It needs it. Unless you
it
call
warrants
out.
it, yeah.
So 1 hour. So for corporate gigs out there, 1 hour yung sweet spot nyo. Ayun yung
1 hour.
But corporate gigs have
3 hours.
20 minutes.
20 to 30 minutes.
20 minutes lang.
is good.
Kasi it usually pag corporate gigs, you're in an event that's not really necessarily a comedy show. So
Kumbaga,
they're
you're not
not.
the focal point.
Yeah,
naman.
exactly.
So 20 minutes is
Good enough.
More
to
than
get
enough.
the audience into laughing. Kasi right after an award,
You can warm them up.
after 50 people receive
Mga 3 pages
Tapos
na yun.
nandun yung TV sa likod mo na major prize. Wala
Nagsiset up yung banda sa likod.
chance at all.
So 20 minutes. Kasi in a corporate gig, isa ka lang.
Ah.
So there's no opener, there's no host.
Yeah.
So you'll be
It's cold.
It's cold.
Yeah, minsan.
So you're the host. You're
Walang
opening
foreplay.
act,
Wala.
and then you are the headliner. So the first 5 minutes is you telling them what's going to happen. The second 5 minutes is the opening jokes. Warm them up. The 10 minutes is you doing.
Yung set na mismo.
You got them already, and then you take it home.
Yeah, it's because like for the corporate gigs, like listening to Joe Rogan and like all his guests, they say they hate.
Sorry, you won't stand up comedian, right?
We all hate it.
No, but obviously you guys get paid. But then have there been corporate gigs where like
You hate the gig, but you like the money.
Yes,
now all of a sudden you're doing it, but then no one is just responding. Everyone's just eating or something.
Or parang gusto ko na
Sinabay ka sa dinner, gano'n.
Ang hirap tanggapin yung
Sinabay ka sa...
That's when you need someone like a booking agent to get the 50% of the payment.
Yes,
Kasi
exactly.
pag bad set, you feel bad.
you
down payment.
Yan yung parang
Ayaw mo maningil.
You take a shower, umiiyak ka. ganun.
Parang
Kasi gusto mo din talagang nag-enjoy yung audience. But given the situation, kuwari, hindi mo din kaya may mga guidelines din eh. If you get a comedian to do a corporate gig, sabihin na, after dinner, make sure everyone's sitting down, ganyan, and there's a proper stage area,
Set
mic,
up
ganyan.
naman.
Sana the host says na, please pay attention.
Speaking of, have you ever introduced yourself kasi walang host or walang voiceover?
And
So
then
you have to...
I come up with a joke with that. Na parang, ladies and gentlemen, your comedian for today is one. And then I walk on stage and it's like,
Habang introduce yung sarili
it's
niya.
me. I do my own introduction.
Ganda.
No one knows me in this country.
It's a trick.
And then it breaks the ice and I start laughing.
Nice.
So you think of ways, as you keep on doing corporate gigs, you think of ways how to make it easier for you.
That's true.
So kala sabihin, JB, para di ka na magalit sa akin. Ninakaw ko siya mga multiple times.
That's open.
Kasi hindi ko alam na
I
gagawin ko.
always tell this to the comedians.
Open
Like,
source siya.
If you're the first
Open
comedian,
source joke.
do that. It's not, no one owns it.
Yeah.
No one owns it.
Yeah.
You can do it kasi talagang nakakatulong.
You need
siya
it. You need it eh. Parang naalala ko din na book ako ng Toyota. Some branch of a Toyota.
Yeah.
Thing. Tapos, yung isang comedian na kasama ko, di siya pinapakinggan. So nung umakit ako sa stage, sinabi ko, good evening, Honda! Gumanon ako, so tinginan sila sa akin.
Tingin kayo.
Sabi ko, ay hindi, Toyota pala. Ayan, nakuha ko ng attention nyo. Tara, comedy tayo. Okay naman, gumana naman pagkatapos. Pero kung hindi gumana yan.
Toyota may hawak na nangiya tong komedyante ko.
It's like, did he forget?
Shit, he's not getting paid. So we a host did that.
Kapag host talaga mataas expectation
Oh,
to be
yeah,
proper.
yeah, you can't do that.
Comedians, we have that leeway.
Tama. Actually, ginawa na nga ni Sam yun eh. Mali.
Talaga.
Yeah.
So, sinadya nyo
God.
nagkamali.
Kwento mo.
This is
Please,
like,
kwento nyo.
This is like, oh my gosh. This was the worst.
Oh my
Tinawag niyang
Okay,
Sunshine.
so
okay, go.
No, there's another one.
Iba pa. Marami sa...
So,
Oh, yeah.
May mas wild pa doon?
So there was the Dunkin' Donuts, but he said Mr. Donuts.
Oh no!
Introducing the CEO.
No, Krispy
And then-
Kreme.
Talaga.
Oh, Krispy Kreme.
Krispy
Tapos sabi niya,
Kreme.
here he is.
Mr.
Donut himself.
Okay.
Nakalimutan niya na may Mr. Donut.
And then he
No, because
introduced...
he was looking at Mr. Donut, where the Krispy Kreme is in Green Hills.
yung sa corner ng Mr. Donut.
Or baka tinawag niya na dahil ikaw yung
Mr.
CEO ng Krispy
yun.
Kreme.
Yeah,
that's what he meant.
Yes,
That's what he meant.
That's what he
The
said.
Donut Man. Ganon, diba?
That's not so bad.
Parang sinabi na...
Like, oh my God!
Kunwari, nag-host ka ng clear shampoo, tas, it takes off dandruff from your head and your shoulders. You know what I mean? Parang ganun yung...
Yeah, gets.
And then he called Sunshine D-Zone. Sunshine Cruise, Sunshine D-Zone.
Oh no. Ayan, may
And sila yung
tricky
name
names.
And we're like,
Kaya
frozen.
nakaka-pressure mag-host eh. Bihira akong pumayag sa hosting.
I only take wedding, yung host, yung mag-host ng wedding pag comedy fans talaga yung
Pag kilala ka. Yeah.
Pero kasi sobrang pressure. I don't want to mess it up for them. Lalo lang masabi mo yung maling pangalan. Oh no.
Pero yun din yung problema. Kasi kahit si Sam kinonsult ako pa siya dito. Sam, paano ba to? Kasi minsan may couples na fan sila. Tapos pagdating sa reception, hindi naman fans yung kinig sa akin. Yung couple matagal pa darating. Nag-set ako din, di ba? Tapos kahit pabuyin mo. Tapos yung mga lolo, naiinis na sa akin, di ba? So parang inisip ko, paano ba to?
Matanda na naman sila.
Tatanggapin ko ba to mga paano ba to? May expectation kang ganyan, ganun, di ba? Yan. So, ayun, medyo pa rin ako, iffy pa rin ako tumanggap ng
wedding.
Congratulations kay Rap and Amy.
Nag-host ka sa kanila. Baka nakikinig sila ngayon.
Thank you. Pero masaya siya, pero sobrang pressure lang. It adds up more to the pressure of you performing stand-up. And tas mag-host.
And then, kasi when you're mixing both.
Ay, nako.
Pag may tandem ka, madali. Kaya na kung kunwari, comedian din, kung James Victor Hurto, kapag katandem ko, easy.
Kasi batuhan lang kayo.
Wala. Pag walang tumawa, ako tatawa ng joke mo.
Mas mura ba if to get a tandem?
Package,
mas mura. I mean, kaysa kunin mo kami individually.
I think for hosts, it would be okay to have you guys as the co-host. Because we'd be able to set you up.
At saka it works easily kasi parang, okay, let me take care of the serious shit.
Tama, exactly.
Color commentary.
Doon ako hindi magaling.
And then they want a co-host. Usually, I advise, okay, you can put one of the employees.
Para may internal.
Tsaka nakaka-trauma pa nagkamali kayo. Natandaan talaga.
Hindi, tsaka maganda pag employee, alam nila yung pangalan ng mga bossing. Ikaw na bahala dyan.
Pwede mong sabihin yan, mabait yan.
Exactly. Sino bang pinag-itripan nyo dito parati? Mga ganun, di ba? Anong pang-asar dito?
Ang complex, no? Ang dami niyang layers. Medyo nakakapagod din siya, no?
Ano siya yung comedy is very never-ending yung process niya ng paghanap ng ways and then also matuto ka how to be able to survive the next gig.
Yes.
Ito pala. Sorry, may question ako because I know that this is a lot of, people who are funny in general are kind of faced with this dilemma now because obviously there's a lot of cancel culture happening.
The question.
The woke How do you keep that balance of, because I'm 100% sure that you have jokes that don't make the cut because it might be racist or whatever. Because sometimes you can be racist but you're just a funny racist and then there's racist na you're a hateful racist. Now, personally, I'm okay with a funny racist, but that's just me. Not okay with a hateful racist. You know what I mean? So how do you distinguish between, okay, this might be a little too much?
Sarili man talaga yung barometer. It just falls back to that eh.
Ang barometer mo.
I can't make jokes about paraplegics, mga ganun, mga disabled because parang I grew up with a friend na gano'n. And then, but if I hear someone do a joke na nakakatawang gano'n, I wouldn't mind it, di ba? And I would actually tatawa pa rin ako.
But you yourself, you can't.
I can't bring it up. So I think ang barometer talaga is it more funny?
Values mo.
Values mo, morality mo, ganyan. Kasi baka mamaya pag sinulat mo yung joke, parang mas nakaka-offend to than funny. So I would be like, tapos bilang makita ka, may open micer na gagawa.
Yun nga eh. Like, if you're a comedian, may joke for different types of
markets.
Yung mga pinaka-cancelable ka, sa tropa mo lang yan. Exactly. Sa GC lang yan.
Sa mo lang yan.
To those who really accept you for
and
who you are.
Pero and know na hindi ka naman malicious in your intent.
Yes.
Gusto mo lang din talaga, you find it funny. So may audience ka pa dyan. So it's not going to go to waste. Don't worry.
Malaking bagay yung intention, I guess. Kung ang intention mo talaga. Kasi may mga times hindi mo lang pwedeng kontrolin eh. Like, nagkaroon ako ng TikTok video na nagreklamo ako about a burger na may cheese sa loob. Tapos nagalit sila.
Kasi dapat cheeseburger tayo.
Yun nga sinasabi ko eh. Na invento na to eh. Tutok talaga mo na sa tuktok eh. Tapos nagalit yung mga tao.
Injected yung cheese sa loob.
So scoop out niya yung meat. Tapos nilagay niya yung cheese sa loob. Sabi ko, bakit? Anong problema nung what is wrong with the topping, di ba? So nagalit yung mga tao sa akin. So ako parang okay. Ang weird naman ng kinokontrol mo pa yung sarili mo na baka ma-offend yung tao dito. Tapos yung pala dun sila ma-offend sa burger na may cheese sa loob, diba? Parang, so hindi mo talaga makakontrol.
There's no saying kung saan sila talagang
hindi kasi to get like a lot of people, for example, like I was watching the Tom Brady roast.
I
was watching it with my wife and Doc there were some of the jokes that were she's like, oh, that's not funny. But then
You found it funny.
Ang wild ng lineup ng host na yun.
tapos I was just laughing. She's like, oh, do you find that funny? I go, yeah, it's funny. It's because he said yes.
Yeah.
So everything is fair game. Especially with, his
Exactly.
ex-wife. and
Oh,
stuff like
grabe. Lahat pwede.
Hindi kasi yun parang kunwari, like, okay, let's just say you make a joke about divorce. If you're making a joke about divorce to somebody who's happily married, then they're probably gonna be like, haha, that's funny. But if you make a joke to somebody who recently got divorced, they're not gonna...
Timing din, di ba?
So yun yung ang hirap na, kasi obviously when you have
To
an
find the
audience,
sweet spot.
parang paano ko malaman? Hindi ko naman alam yung personal information nitong tao na to na ganyan, di ba?
Para sa akin talaga intention. So kapag kunwari na-offend kayo sa akin sa joke na yun, sabihin ko, ang intention ko magpatawa. Ang mali, yung ginagawa ng mga tao, ni-retrofit nila yung intention sa pagka-offend nila. Parang gano'n. Sabihin nila, hindi, ginawa mo to kasi malicious ka. Gusto mong kontrahin yung simbahan. Parang gano'n. Parang hindi. Gusto ko mag-joke. Parang gano'n na lang, siguro. Pero, hindi ko rin kasi masabi na lahat ng comedians pure yung intention eh.
Yeah.
Kasi may mga ibang tao na gusto talaga nila
Nakupal lang
mag-offend.
din talaga.
Yun talaga yung trip nilang gawin eh.
Mga kupal naman talaga.
Meron talaga.
May punchline lang naman eh. Most people are laughing, then it's a joke.
Yeah.
Pero you're not going to
Tas
get
may-
everyone laughing.
May fans din
there's a
ng
lot of
offensive.
sensitive people
Yeah, there are.
online. And I mean, there are people who are who don't have a funny bone,
Yeah. And then
everything to them is
everything can be offensive naman talaga when
To
you skew
someone.
it.
That's
so
true.
easy.
Oh. Like you can joke about a pencil that was stolen. Paano kung na-trauma pala ito isang bata na ito
exactly.
nakaw yung pencil niya.
Kaya nakakatulong din si Pope, actually. Pope Francis.
Sinabi niya po.
Pwede na mag-joke about God. So they help to us comedians.
Kasi pwede mo sabihin, yung Pope na mismo nagsabi. Pwede.
He's the spokesperson.
Kontra ka sa Pope.
Kukontra ka? Mas marunong ka sa Pope?
Direct line kay God yan.
the week I was there, he invited the week before all the comedians.
Oh yeah. Like Conan was there. Everyone is there.
Everyone was there. Everyone.
So sabi niya, it's okay to joke about that.
Yeah.
As long as hindi siya offensive.
Yun lang. Parang wala ka sinabi po.
Pope got jokes. No, but then like going back to like for you guys as your careers, is that seeing that, for example, like the Netflix one, the Tom Brady one, that's their most watched comedy special, and then now they're doing a lot more live comedy. Like for you guys, is that something that you'd still want to push here locally so that I mean like
locally?
like
I don't think it'll work roasting here.
Matagal pa. I would say
No way.
baka
No,
a
no.
decade. You don't get
I don't think it's gonna work.
Kasi everybody's gonna be game sa simula.
Yeah.
Until they hear the
Till they hear the joke.
yun naman yun eh. Parang game ako mag-spar pero nahook ka.
Sa
Reklamo ka dyan,
sa news pa lang
Yeah.
pag binanggit mo politician.
Oh,
Man.
You just need one celebrity that everyone
That's
would love
willing,
to
no?
get a piece of.
Yeah.
Yun lang naman
Tony.
to make it work.
He's got a piece of
Everybody wants a piece of him Piece of meat nga lang.
We know of someone that actually made a joke in a certain district in a
exactly. Oh, mahirap.
persona non grata.
Yeah.
Until now. He quit the industry.
Yung sa host kasi, sa mundo natin ngayon na social media, di ba, ang kaming nababash. Just get one of those favorite person na laging nababash.
Harry
put him in
Roque?
the throne. If he's willing. Kasi yun lang naman eh. If he's
Rendon,
willing,
yung
willing.
pinakamaganda example, si Rendon.
Oh, si Rendon. You actually talk to him. Rendon, gusto mo, host ka namin. Ayun, sige.
Kung mapapayag mo
To
siya.
have him be roasted by all of the comedians and let the people hear all of those harsh jokes against him.
Siguro,
Talagang
Ang ganda na Marami ka na
I think
sponsor na
matagal
pwede
pa.
nakaline up.
Matagal pa.
Baliwag,
I think
Andox.
Oo.
Ganda na nga. This roast is brought to you by.
Tayo, because we take everything so personal.
yes.
We're a society where everything is personal. It's
No,
not
we
like
don't. F you, man.
Tapos walk out.
Bye, ikaw!
You suck.
the greatest example is Mo Twister. He used to roast and pick on everyone.
Yeah.
He used to take everyone's career and just F and flip it. No one wanted to guess now on his show.
Wala na, ano na siya,
Takot.
parang
Takot.
labeled siya. No?
Forbidden questions. Oh, no way. My career is gone.
Ang maganda sa roast, yung niro-roast has the
May rebuttal.
chance to rebut.
Yeah.
And
Siya one way.
everyone.
Which matagal pa yan. Matagal pa yan.
Pero isipin mo na lang how it's gonna be.
Saka that
Like,
only works if the person that's being roasted is also equally as funny.
Yes.
Yun din, di ba?
Kasi
He needs the writers.
kung kinokontra niya lang yung sinasabi, hindi funny. So, hindi siya...
Kailangan
I think
jokes
one of the
din siya.
best roasts na non-comedian was si Martha Stewart sa
Oh, yeah.
Justin Bieber roast. Like parang, I'm pretty sure Martha didn't write that, but he
Yeah.
told the shit out of that shit.
Yeah.
Sobrang lupit.
Yeah. Galing.
Yeah.
Galing
So we need
whoever wrote.
somebody
ganong
who's
caliber.
like that.
Kasi,
Tama.
Baka
Ang
nakatulong
layo.
din kasi galing siya sa kulungan nun, di ba?
hindi, no? Walang gusto ko man sa kanya. Ito yung totoong may street cred.
Street yung tao.
Magkatabi sila ni Snoop
Naging
Dogg. Kaya
friends
mas
pa sila
maraming
ni
jail
Snoop,
time.
di ba?
Grabe na nagawang joke niyan.
Pero ang tagal pa kasi, kailan ba nagsimula yung eksena natin talagang formally? Like 2005? Ganun? Tagal
Okay,
pa. Wala pa tayong 20 years.
Yeah, you guys are it's still young.
You started when we started. Boys Night Out.
Around that time, yeah.
Because I remember you guys were when your first few bar tours.
Yeah.
Sila pa noon, nasa una sa akin si Red eh. 2000.
Yeah.
1 year lang eh. Parang wala naman yun. Grabe.
Sino pa ba? Si Rex Navarrete is the one
Hindi,
who was
pero
the
but
lead.
establishing the scene here,
Oh.
sa Comedy Cartel Day siguro, sabihin natin 05 earliest, baka ganun. Pero parang before that, o sabihin natin include na natin yung mga nag-stand up na, kuna Mitch Valdez or Pork Chop or
Pork Chop
sabihin
2.
natin 80s.
Grabe, Pork Chop 2.
Yeah, that's still not 50
Wild.
years.
Yeah.
Alam mo yun?
Tama. Wala
Nandito
pa.
lang siya.
naman tayo.
But we've come a long way because now to support stand-up
Yeah.
is the improv.
Yes.
Spit Manila is like wildfire as well.
Oo, grabe.
In 1 hour.
Kasabay din yun ng stand-up around
Yes.
nauna pa siguro.
20 years.
Yeah, 20
Monica,
years.
one of our junior campus patrollers pa nga eh.
Wow.
If I'm not mistaken.
Oh, really?
She started from the start. She's still there.
Oh, okay.
Monica.
Monica.
Yeah.
Okay.
Monica Cordero. She's married.
Na nag-aalis.
Nag-aalis.
Dito na Ayan, yan.
May asawa na siya. So,
Okay.
but Monica Cordero.
Yeah,
So pag like genuinely natutuwa ako personally din when they saw yung talagang big venues sold out ang Spit Improv.
Yeah.
Kasi totally
Long
different
time
sa
coming.
stand-up eh. This has been something na dapat matagal na kasi sobrang na-enjoy ko yan. Ever since.
Nagulat nga ako na sobrang tagal nilang umabot eh. Alam mo yun?
Yeah.
Parang para sa akin matagal na dapat.
I remember I would go, there were like 4 people.
Yeah.
And I'm like, oh my gosh. And then I asked at that time Gabe Mercado.
Yeah, Gabe.
Would come here 2005 pa yun eh. And come watch and it would be like 3, 4 you can count on your fingers.
Yeah.
How many people? And then I'm like, kakilik ba to? And they just kept at it.
Yeah.
Ganun lang. Ganun lang kami. 5, 4 nanonood, ganyan.
Tama.
Then you just keep pushing. And then you'll finally
20 years.
audience. Yeah. Oh, it takes pero okay
Takes
lang eh.
time.
Si Gino, for him to get 300K, ilang years ka na?
Wow.
Ilang years ka na?
I'm not even gonna entertain this anymore.
2 years lang, 2 years.
2 years? 2 years. May opening ba kayo dito?
Actually,
Ayoko na ng comedian.
Gusto mo ito? Gusto mo itong pwesto?
Ayoko na, nakatakot ako.
I'm tired of getting this fake salary. I want it to be true.
50% lang nung Gino salary.
Para mag-manifest.
Kahit 50% lang matawa na.
Throw it out into the universe.
I'm manifesting it.
It's the secret, bro.
Diba?
Bro, alam ko yung financials natin. Malabo.
But please do invite everyone to Cebu, Comedy Cebu.
Yeah, August 3,
August 3.
Cebu.
4 p.m. and 8 p.m.
Yeah.
Just go to Comedy Manila. Ayan pala, thank you so much.
Okay,
Yes.
And then
We have graphics here.
Galing,
Magaling.
Radio has transcended.
We have. We're beating digital.
We're there. Si Magic 89.9 pa na ano ba to, website na ba siya or
It's on. So we're on Facebook. We're on Playback.
Playback.
Another third party.
Facebook din sa Singapore, may show tayo.
Oo nga. So please go to comedymanila.ph/shows. Andun na lahat yon. We have Cebu on August 3, August 24 and 25 sa Singapore, and August 30 sa Sydney, and then September 1 sa Melbourne. Yes.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's
guys.
So, bayad
Yeah.
si Red lahat magbabayad.
Actually, one of my friends is watching the one in Melbourne.
Sino?
Yeah.
Talaga?
Yeah.
Oh, great. Okay. Amazing.
Saya.
Oh.
Thank you.
Ilang tickets binili niyo?
Ako nagbayad eh. Hindi.
Ibang klase mag-support.
Hindi.
Oo, grabe tones. Nag 12 Monkeys pa tayo dati.
Oo nga. Ay, yun nga. Yung Spit also.
That's it. Spit and you guys. I'm a big fan of improv comedy, but
Yeah.
never ako naging in that
Tones,
platform.
when 12 Monkeys was still in Makati, di ba? Ang dami
Yes.
nun. Ang
Yes.
dami.
So,
Yes,
yeah.
I remember. That's where I first watched GB.
Ah!
I think I opened for Rex.
Yes. Yeah. We brought in Rex
si Rex
Nava.
Navarrete.
Yeah, naalala ko rin yun. Yeah, we used to do din yung Barney, Casey Montero.
Yeah.
Treehouse. Oh my God, naalala mo.
Treehouse!
Yeah, I remember.
Sa A-Venue.
Venue. Na ngayon, ano na lang, wala na, no?
Wala na. Dinulis na nila yung buong ano.
Grabe,
yung
sa
symbol
ibang
nila.
klase yung, we used to always close bars. Like, kunwari, kinukuha kami ng mga bar na pa-close na.
Oh.
Parang last ditch effort. Sige, comedy.
Oh.
Parang gano'n, hindi magko-close. Ngayon, nadurog yung building.
We demolished.
Klase.
Level up tayo.
Iba talaga tayo. Mga step up na tayo.
Sana nag-time kayo.
For their first 7 a.m. set.
Yes.
Pero 7 a.m. na palong-palo pa rin yung mga tao.
Hindi lang pala kami yung mga shows happening. Visit comedymanila.ph. We have regular shows at Wicked Dogs BGC. May open mic to anyone who wants to try stand-up. Open mic.
No age limit ba to? Or
Wala.
No age limit.
No age limit.
Pwede na si Tones.
Judgment na lang kung gano'n ka kabuting parent, no? Kung papanoorin mo yung 9-year-old mo ng show ng gabi.
Who's the oldest pala? That you've had?
Sino bang oldest?
Senior? May senior ba na stand?
Meron.
So, si Ramon Francisco rin.
Yeah,
The oldest.
Oh, Ramon Francisco actually came. I think he guested.
Talaga?
I think when you brought in a bunch of...
How do you remember these things? Ang galing mo to. Oo, malupit.
Mga senior comedians sila, Alex. Hindi kami. Doktor yun. Sa amin naman, abogado.
Abogado.
Pero
Kuha kayo engineer para may isang...
Yun nga, sabi ko nga.
title pa kayo.
Meron kaming civil engineer. Si Lawrence Bibas.
Oo nga, tama.
So, no, architects din. Pero now that that comedy, yung pinakamagandang sign that comedy is going is that now, before it was all men.
Yeah.
Ngayon, kalahati, bakla na kami.
Hindi. Welcome to 2024.
Mga babae na. They're female comedians. They're LGBTQIA plus comedians now. They have a show in Teatrino, Corik, by September
21.
So,
Diversity na.
That's good.
So,
That's what we're trying to do, yeah.
Your humor, kung ano man humor mo, is very well represented now.
Yeah.
Okay.
So you just need
You can find someone that you can relate to right away. Just go to comedymanila.ph.
Who's the youngest performer that you guys have?
Oh, man.
Right now,
Dati ako yung pinakabata ngayon wala na.
ganun naman.
Lahat naman tayo. Lahat naman yata tayo.
Dati ako yung, bata mo pa.
Ganyan
wala na.
Max Roster.
Tingin ko sa'yo dati sobrang tandang-tanda ako sa'yo nung na-meet kita. Parang 29? What?
Totoo, 29.
29 kita na-meet eh.
Mga 17 ka na to, 18 ka na.
18, 19 lang ako nun.
Ganon din yung tingin ko sa mga 20-year-old dati. Tapos ngayon, 29 ang bata mo!
Siguro right now, pinakabata, 21.
Wow.
Si Josh Banyas. Pero yung pinakabata nag-open mic, anak ni Muman,
wala pa.
7.
Wala pa.
7?
Oo. But then yung pati yung si Attorney Lucas Espiritu.
Kailan niya si Lucas Espiritu? Tumakbo siyang senator.
Yeah.
I voted for him.
Nagsa-stand up yung dalawa niyang anak.
Yeah.
For some reason.
More girls.
Tapos very anti-government. So parang, sino nagsulat itong material niya? Pero nakakatawa. May punchlines.
Galing ah.
So, it's open
I have to check him out.
He was there in the wedding, si Atty. Luke.
Talaga?
So nakakatawa. He does open mic with
He's a
us.
very funny guy.
He is a funny guy. We had him on our podcast, Laugh Trip siya. I like that guy. I like that.
Yun.
So yan yung mga no age limit. We do tone it down. And we tell the parents, okay, it's open mic, anyone can do whatever jokes. So please
be careful with the
earmuffs.
If you're sensitive.
Saka maganda sa open mic, parang kami rin kailangan namin mag-test out ng jokes doon. So minsan, sobrang stack ng lineup ng Domela, tapos bago material, makapanood nila lang for a very small fee, di ba? Parang
Nice.
There you go.
Minsan may Rex Navarrete nag-show. Diba? Jokoy, di ba? Si Jokoy nag-show up isang beses.
Show up sa open mic.
Ayaw niya mag-set, so ni-roast ko siya. So nag-set siya. Sinabihan ko siya na dapat matuto ka mag-Tagalog.
Jokes, Jokoy, so you'll make more money. Tapos pagkakit ni Jokoy.
Tayo siya.
I know how to speak Tagalog.
I know how to speak Tagalog, okay?
And I just sold out MOA Arena.
Tapos pinag-open niya ako sa MOA Arena. So okay then. Good fun.
Tapos tinanong si Jokoy kung how Red did. Ano mo sabi Jokoy? He ate shit.
Proud pa naman ako nun. sobrang proud ako nun kasi ang ganda ng set ko. Pagkatapos paglabalik ko nag-selfie pa kami, parang mukhang ako na yung next joke eh. Parang ganun yung dating eh, nag-dompy pa kami backstage, ganun. Tapos pagdating sa podcast nila, you ain't shit.
Sino ba si podcast ng comedian na si
Andrew Schultz yata.
Andrew Schultz. Podcast, he was asked
he's
about.
like
exactly.
He's offensive. But I love him.
He is sobrang
I love him.
Oh yeah, sa podcast. Dun sila ni Joke.
So parang
Piniplayback niya.
baka dahil Tagalog di niya alam.
Di mo lang gets kasi Tagalog.
Di mo lang gets
Di sa Domper yun naman.
First time ko makatikim ng Dompi nun.
But hey, congratulations guys.
Thank you.
Break a leg.
Yes.
Always.
So Cebu, Singapore, Sydney, and Melbourne.
Yes.
Naka-line up,
Yes,
diba?
yeah.
There you go.
So if you don't have your tickets, get your tickets. Saying hi to Richard and the Ileto family. They're actually gonna check you out in I guess SG.
Oh, nice.
Singapore. Okay, nice. Thank you.
Mas mataas pa yung sales natin sa Australia kaysa sa Cebu.
Pwede ba mag-shoutout sa mga
Yeah,
Cool
of
Pals
course.
na
Yeah,
nakikinig?
of course.
Yes.
Even your sponsors.
So, Cool Pals, salamat sa mga Cool Pals. Yan yung mga followers ng podcast namin are the ones giving us that license to joke about anything talaga. When they're watching, sige, bigay mo. Parang, so it helps us write even more funnier things. So wala siyang parang, bawal to.
So that's your test shot.
Oo,
the
parang sila
podcast.
nilibigay sa amin lisensya na to joke with
Whatever you want
whatever
to.
you like to do.
Yeah.
So
Ganda ng following nila.
So thank you sa lahat ng Cool Pals. And bago matulog with Red Oliero.
Yes.
Yes, podcast.
May podcast din ako.
That's right.
Like everyone else in the world. Nagka-podcast ako at one point. But yeah, may podcast ako every Thursday lumalabas yung episode namin. So thank you sa mga wacky-doers dyan. Wacky-doers and the wacky-don'ts.
All right, so good luck, guys, and congrats.
Thank you.
Congrats on all your
Congrats.
success.
Yes.
Congrats, guys.
Is that the show?
Yep.
That's the show, right? Done.
Oy, gusto mo mag-extend?
No.
Grabe.
I'm going home.
Fighting spirit mo, ha, Gino?
I'm going home. I'm going to the beach.
He's like, this is my last day of work. Bye, guys.
I'll see you after my paternity leave.
Sweldo ngayon, katapusan.
300K, bro.
Totoo.
And he's taking
Bro,
the
ito
day.
check ko ngayon yung bangko. Wala pang sweldong pumapasok.
Bukas pa yan. May 31
May
eh.
31 na
May 31.
Tignan mo yun naman, 300 pesos. 300 indeed. We gotta head on out of here.
All right.
Naughty Riri, thank you for stopping by. For those that want to follow you, once again,
It's Ria.Deluna.
no longer the thirst trap. Instagram.
No, I'll fix that Instagram first, and then I'll have.
How are you gonna fix it?
I'm gonna create more thirst traps. I guess.
Wow.
Give what the people want.
Why don't you say hi to someone?
Nice, really nice.
Why?
Go say hi to him.
No.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow, she's laughing.
Hi, Luis. Okay, bye.
Pwede ba ako mag-extra plug? Sorry paano rin? Pa-follow naman ang aking hobby. Kasi nag-stimula ako ng pro wrestling company ko. Filipino Pro Wrestling. So, may mga ibang tao into cars. Ako, bumili ako ng wrestling ring.
Hayop.
Then we wrestle, yeah. Our next show is September 15.
Oh, yeah.
Sa Bake Studios. So, it's FPW Unfinished
Big
Business.
Studios
Yakal.
Yeah.
I-plug na rin natin yung show ni Victor sa Music
Tama.
Museum special. Si Victor Anastasio, August 17. Sa Music Museum. And,
So, malaking show din yan.
Punta nyo lang yung page ni Victor.
So, yun. Lahat, comedymanila.ph. And then, sa FPW, follow FPW din on Instagram, Facebook, and actually, kahit sa social media. Yan.
So,
Cool.
Yes, please.
Baka pwede nating next yun. Next
Gusto nyo ba?
Next venture
Game,
natin.
sige. Papunta ka ng wrestlers
Para
dito.
tayong DX.
Nawala naman
pero
yung other
DJs.
wrestling league.
Yeah,
During the
nawala.
pandemic?
Nadurog kami ng pandemya.
Right. I remember because Jojo, you would attend that day.
Yeah. Naalala ko si Jojo.
Na siya, na-disgrace.
Wait, nag-wrestle si Jojo?
Kasi the wrestler, nagulat ako.
Pinay
Parang
driver siya, gano'n?
They weren't practicing properly. Parang ganun. So I was there parang, okay na ba yung spot ni Jojo? So, parang, the guy was just like parang, he doesn't know how to sell, so I'll just like do it for real. So, what? Are you crazy? Buti hindi siya nabalian or anything.
Break his shoulder
Parang
for fun.
ganun.
Do it for real.
He called me that night. Tony, I need PT. I need
Ba-fisher
to see a
lab ka
doctor.
naman.
Baka nabali yung...
Help me.
Nakita ko siya after the spot na talagang may malaking 1 liter na Pocari Sweat. Tapos parang, totoo pala, no? Parang ganun. Tapos ako parang, no man, we can do it safely. We just didn't have time to rehearse. Tapos itong sila Ramon, saka sila Stanley, parang siya yung ginawang, ikaw na lang. Parang ganun.
Extras lang siya
Silang dalawa, hindi, parang unaware siya na ganun yung mangyayari sa kanya. Ayun. But yeah, unfortunately, that promotion folded. Pero ito, we're back at FPW. Yeah.
There you go. FPW.
Filipino Pro Wrestling. Pala, suot ko pala yung t-shirt.
May merch.
Sakto.
Filipino Pro Wrestling. Okay.
Yes.
All right, check them out and give them a
Yeah,
follow.
bring over your wrestlers.
Yes, sige. Okay. G, no problem.
Game yan.
Bakit kami wrestling fans dito?
Ba? We'll invite them to the show.
Yeah.
Men in tights,
Masaya.
that's our thing.
Oh, yeah.
Basta bakat ha. Walang bakat.
Sige, I'll tell the guys to be vascular that day. Magdi-dehydrate sila.
Make some sexy moves.
Gusto ko ng wrestling unwrapped.
Yeah.
All right, we'll
Thank
catch you
you.
again tomorrow.
Tomorrow we got...
Wait lang. Tomorrow we are going to something, remember?
Oh,
Yes. We're going to the Billboard event.
Yeah.
Oh,
That's tomorrow.
that's right.
Nakasmile ako, hindi naman ako kasali.
all right. We'll see you.
You'll probably catch them on Thursday or whatever. I
We'll
don't know.
be here for a while.
Yeah.
You know, but we
We'll
won't
figure it
finish
out.
the
What is
show.
a while?
Yeah.
Can you define?
We'll figure it
Mga
out.
6 minutes.
All right. My name is Slick Rick.
This is Tony.
My name is Gino Killiamore.
All right.
And my name is Tin. Thank you so much for listening, everybody. We will catch you again the next time we catch you.
I'll see you in
Bye.
September. No.
Tagal na lip. Isang buwan.
Sunod-sunod yan.
Magic 89.9.